Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto latest and technicals. I'm your host, Martin. Thank you. And this is episode 482. Look at that. I remember the episode number. It's Bitcoin rising and Ethereum all-time highs. Thank you all for joining me tonight. Again, yeah, thank you all for being here, guys. If you like the content that we produce here on this channel, please hit the like button on the sub. Also, if you have a comment, you can leave it on the description. Or if you're live, you can put it here on the live chat. I'll check it out in a second. If you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news again, hit that like button, that sub. And if you want to engage with me after the stream is done, you can join me on the Discord or links in the description for Twitter as well, right? So, join me there, man. Setup looks better every day. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Todd, thank you for being here. First guy in the house. Then Jake, thank you guys for being here. Donato, thank you for being here, man. Ricky, Salt, and Light. Donato again. Joshua Davis, what's up, man? Ricky F. Dracula. Wow, we got Dracula in the house. Great. I would suck your blood. Something like that. Cassifer, what's up, man? Hotmorkin. Leezy. Guy Freak. I'm trying to see who else in the house, man. Crypto Cat Lover! Great, man. Thanks for being here, guys. Thank you all for being here.
What's up?
Video Council. The Bitcoin Mob. Philip. Brent Posser. We're here. Hit the... Yeah, guys. The horn. That horn. Everyone's in the house. Thank you all for being here. Michael Mike, what's up? Let's get rolling. Let's get started. Let's see what's going on. I hope everyone got the notice today and I didn't get shadow banned, because apparently that's what happened yesterday, according to some of you guys. So let's hope that was not the case tonight, right? So we can get back to our usual viewing numbers. We're at 32 people right now, so I'm not sure if we're still shadow banned or not, but who knows, right? Who knows? Time will tell. Let's move over and start looking at crypto and see what is happening here. Me again? Yes, I'm here every day, man. What is happening with market cap? Well, we pumped yesterday quite a bit. 5.81%, approximately $57.81 billion. Today, still going up very slightly, 1.27%, approximately $13.37 billion. That is pretty cool, man. FTM, that one's already in the list. Tiger made it. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Crazy Scott's in the house. Well, you're welcome, man. Thank you for being here. Are we looking at something yet that is bearish? No. If anything, we're just getting a cross with MACD over the second line, which is pretty good. That could mean that we're going to make positive momentum. How much? We don't know yet if it's going to be strong or not. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the other side to lower point. Everything is good, actually. There's nothing bearish. So it is doing extremely well right now. Again, above $1 trillion. I told you guys above $1 trillion is where we want to be. Rook, sure, why not? So market cap looking positive. Just an account that we're in over $1 trillion. Remember how we said when we were over $1 trillion, things are going to be looking better for everyone? Dude, look at that, right? Brent, ADA, DOT, Link, Ethereum, and GRT made the shadow today. Yeah. Now, there's two there that haven't been requested, ADA and DOT, but I think the other ones are on the list already. Or Link also has not on the list. Or GRT. Those are not on the list. No one, only Ethereum's on the list. Portland DVA, thank you for being here. Let's keep rolling. What is happening with crypto? Let's go to Bitcoin. What is happening with Bitcoin dominance? It's 62.85. Great, we're below that 20. So not a lot happening there. Yesterday we gained a little bit, 0.12 today. Struggling to gain 0.05%, approximately sitting at 62.86% of market cap. Where's the price of Bitcoin at 36,100. Ain't that cool, man? New? Sure, man. Thank you for being here. Pedro and Eric, yo, everyone's joining tonight. Great. That is awesome. Ave, sure. I'm taking requests now. So hope everything's fine. Yeah, everything's good, man. Actually, I hope you guys got the link today to join the stream, because yesterday we had very little people. Apparently, according to some, I was shadow banned, so interesting. Hope everyone got in on time though. Crazy Scott, can you look at UTK? Sure, man. Everyone's going on the list tonight. Wow, already at 15 coins. It's so awesome to have you all here and joining me tonight for this great stream. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? We're here every night for you guys. So, Wi-Fi, sure. Just put it in the proper format. I'll check it out, dude. So, Bitcoin, dude, finally got above the area that I told you guys we need to be above, 34,438. And I told you if we get above that area, things are going to be looking good for Bitcoin. Still going up. It would be really cool. It would have been really cool. It would have came down here to retest that support before we pumped. And we're going to check down the shorter time scales. I haven't been really looking a lot here at Bitcoin chart, but it's going to be interesting, right? Wow, the Altcoin has their own coin. Interesting. Shadow ban lifted. Thank you, Derek. I hope so. We're not at usual viewers. Like we like by the time I was starting, we were like at 100 and something. Right now we're still half of that, so 60 more or less. But still pretty good. Yeah, hit the like button, go on Twitter, retweet or tweet. That helps bring attention to the channel. Thank you all for being here. Again, Bitcoin, not doing anything bearish, about to get across, or about to get across, still negative, right? Like zero. So we're about to get across the MACD over the signal line, and that could bring potential positive momentum. And with that action to the upside, that would be extremely cool for Bitcoin. It could potentially get it above 37,293. That's your next target to the upside. We got above the 20. We got above that 34,438. Things are looking good. It looks like we're retaking part of the wedge that we had before. So let me go to the 4-hour real quick. On the 4-hour, we're still good. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish. Pumping on that, held support at 33,090. High, low, positive was positive, high on the other side to lower point. Bought at 64.48. So nothing wrong with Bitcoin right now. Even in the short term, high, higher, positive, more positive. Everything's good. I like it. Bitcoin is bullish right now. Let's go to this chart and see where we're at. We held support at the resistance that we had from the falling wedge. And that is really cool. Jeffrey, dude.
What's up?
Thank you for being here. Pop is here also. Dude, shout out from the 503, man. So let's keep rolling. Hey, Carthago, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. So, Bitcoin is sustaining outside of the falling wedge, which is really good. It's actually bouncing and getting above the confirmation line again, which could give continuation to the target that we had set up for Bitcoin, right? At 33% or 37%, I can't remember what we called it. It was up high. I didn't put a number there, but it's very, very close to where we also have the falling wedge breakout confirmation. And I'll take a measure real quick just to show you, right? Around 32% around the same area. So we have two targets that could land us there if Bitcoin decides to go bullish still, right? So Justin Minshew, thank you for being here, man. ADA, sure, it's on the list. Now, ADA, let's write it down, man. Crypto, what do you do more? Christmas, what do you like more, Christmas or altcoin season? Altcoin season, it dropped. Yo, what do I like more? Well, this Christmas was pretty awesome. We got an amazing tip from one of our viewers back in the day. He donated, like, a guy named Alex Malero came in and donated like $1,150 like 2-3 days prior to Christmas. That was insanely cool, dude. So if you ask me, I love this Christmas, man. It's not going to be beat by alt season short term. I mean, it could with the pumps, but like, you know, that was an insane, like it's the highlight of like the state of crypto streaming career, I guess. So it's been insane, man. But alt season is pretty close, dude. With the alts that I'm holding, it could be a really, really good alt season. I'll tell you that. Anyways, right now, on these short time scales, we're hitting that 36,107 area, and we're actually getting above it briefly, which used to be a resistance on this chart, and that is pretty cool, man. So on that note, that is it for Bitcoin on the 4-hour. Again, looking bullish, looking good, nothing bearish that I'm seeing here. And I'm liking what I'm seeing right now for Bitcoin. Let's see if we can manage to keep this bullishness or this bullish sentiment on Bitcoin for action to the upside. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Bearish divergence, right? We had it. We lost it to here. We already established that we didn't have it to here. Here, it played down slightly, went slightly higher, and that is fine. Or was this from yesterday? Oh, this was from yesterday when we were live, midnight. 1-2, we pumped a little bit more, so great. Did we manage to maintain this? Yes, look, we went slightly here, higher, and then we still had it here, right? Bearish divergence. And we actually even manufactured by then against the RSI. So hidden bearish, right? Moved down on that. And that was it, right? We came, found support, and then started the rally, and that is pretty good. We were live here yesterday, I think. Yeah, here yesterday, and then today. It's great. Oh, I remember the stuff from yesterday didn't save, by the way. You remember how I was getting these notifications that, like, you know, the chart's full, you need to like delete stuff. When the stream was over, I was so tired, I just forgot to delete everything. I restarted, and I lost all the information that I had done yesterday. So a lot of the information is probably going to be missing stuff. I noticed earlier that there were lines that were drawn that had no matching things in the bottom. It just saved some things, not everything. So yo, Spike Jones, Steve Green here, man, and Nationwide Insurance. Orale, chill away. Felix, you think today we see a pump for Ethereum? Well, today we've been getting a pump for Ethereum, so we'll see in a second, man. Bitcoin on the 1 hour, right? Things I don't like and things I do like, right? One of them, it's bullish. How do we know it's bullish? Look, it had bearish divergence. It didn't give 2 bits about it. Right? We didn't have it against the RSI, though. Strong bearish divergence. Action downside, move down. On support of 34,438. Remember how I told you guys we wanted to find and get above this area? And maybe on the shorter time scales, we're going to see whether or not we held support. We held support. That is pretty cool. That's what we wanted to see, holding support at the area that we're going to find support, 34,400. That means that we want to be above this area, and that is pretty good. Now, we're still going slightly higher here, right? And as we are going higher here on the 1 hour Bitcoin, just let me make sure I'm anchored. Yep. We're coming lower, right? So we're having strong bearish divergence, and this time we also have it against the RSI. It looks like we want to go down slightly, but it's resisting, right? It did go down for a candle. Right now, it wants to pop back up. If this candle or the next candle manages to get above this area, we could be in for more bearish divergence. But you could also set the tune that Bitcoin wants to go up, right? So, interesting stuff. Ricardo Hernandez playing the huddle for years. I don't know how to trade. So yeah, well, you can learn trading. It takes some getting used to, but it's good. You can learn. Everything is learnable, right? Spike Jones, you want to yell my name on your channel? Sure, man. Let's keep rolling. So, let's see what we're going to get here, right? We're bought at 67.51. Let's go to the half hour, man. I wonder if in the half hour we created some hidden bullish, because here we didn't find any hidden bullish. So the half hour Bitcoin will give us more clues. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, and there's a dollar point. No, I'm not finding anything hidden here. Maybe from here, right? From here to here. On the half hour Bitcoin. And from here to here. Great, hidden bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We pumped more, but we've been creating bearish divergence as we've been going higher, right? Again, this half hour still looks bullish right now. So I'm just going to highlight this here and against the RSI as well. So where can a movement down from Bitcoin get us, right? That would be the main question. The first target would be the 20 moving average, and that is at 35,355, which is well above our 34,400. And if we were to fail here, look at that. It's matching the previous high that we had. Great. So it looks like it still wants to go bullish. And if we break this area, the 35,357, we're probably going to go and try to find support again at 34,438. That would be the next area for support. What time is it by you? 9:19 p.m. So that's it for Bitcoin. We're going to come back to it. I'm excited for Bitcoin, dude. It's finally getting out of that slump that we were talking about, right? Facing resistance here way too many times. Even 1 in the morning when we were about to sign off, or midnight, right? We were like struggling to get above this area. We still struggled for one more candle, then broke out of it. That was great. That was it, right? Once we broke, look at how good we've been doing. So great. We broke a resistance. Awesome. Loving Bitcoin right now. Now let's go to the champ of today, because Ethereum is posting new all-time highs. I mean, I'm just calling it the champ because it's doing new all-time highs, and that's really good. We're still making a new all-time high candle by a long shot, right? Our previous high was here at 1,476. Right now, we're at 1,536, and we actually got to a high of 1,549. So, dude, Ethereum is doing extremely good, and that is also taking into account that it's pumping because Bitcoin is pumping, right? So Bitcoin is helping it go up. Now, does Ethereum have bearish divergence? Well, unfortunately, yes, it does. And that is going from here to here on daily. What? Yo, Network Insurance. Dude, thank you very much for the sticker, man. I really appreciate that, dude. So I'll do this and this, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. First sleep of the night. Hi, porn. One up. One up. That's awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that, dude. So, what are we doing here with Ethereum, right? Bearish divergence right now on the daily. I don't like that very much, but the only upside that I'm finding is that it is a new mountain of positive momentum that we're starting to build. We also have this against the RSI, right? Look at that. So against the RSI, it's going to take a lot of strength to get rid of this divergence. Against the MACD, we're going to shake it off very quickly. It just needs to pump a small amount. Right, a very, very small amount. So this is 6.08 and this is 4.43. So we're almost there, right? So again, we had that hidden bullish divergence. Action to the upside, got that rally, very nice, man. Let's see if we can shake off this bearish divergence. A movement down again, we could try to find support at 1,420. I'm actually going to up this line a little bit more coordinates. This is at 1,549.21. 549.21. There we go. I'm missing the one. There we are. New all-time high, right? New all-time high for Ethereum. We're about to touch it again. We might be trying to go back up. Bitcoin back to 40K. I'm not sure, man. We have a target at 37,000. Let's get above that level. And then let's see if we can manage to keep on going, right? But that's the potential target right now. And that would really probably get Ethereum above It's the all-time high at 1,549, right? Which is really good. Again, Ethereum's performing extremely well. Yesterday, it managed to pump 10%. Today, it's already pumping an extra 1.58%. So probably in between both days, we'll be looking at about a 12% rally, maybe, which is really good. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we don't have anything bearish. We had this bullish divergence here. See how I lost data from yesterday? We had this one here. We had a line that was going like this. It's no longer here, but we have it here. One quick second, guys. Yo, I'm back. Sorry about that. Kids came in. They rushed. They broke into the office. They were like, what was it? Occupy the studio. That was it. If you guys like what we do, hit the like the bell and sub, guys. This has been a great stream so far. Yeah, 3 and a 7. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, my daughter's 2.5, so, and then my son's 5. So cool. Lots of cool stuff. But yeah. Anyways, let me keep instead of cryptos. Yes, dude, that is correct. They're in training, chart reading at 5 in the morning. Anyways, I lost data yesterday, so I know this was matched to something. We didn't have the match. That's why I'm gonna see this. We're gonna see this a lot today. Oh, your daughter's also 2.5. That's pretty cool, man. Mark Hill, dude, thank you very much for that 10, man. Really appreciate that.
Kids some math. Smiley face.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. That's just because there was a Barney saying it's gonna be legendary. So with that, I'll also tell you.
Thank you very much.
Hi, Born. And 1-ups, dude. So I'll use that to get the kids some Ethereum, I guess. So I'll just write it here to use that to get them Ethereum, dude. Thank you, man, for the awesome donation. I appreciate that, man. Thanks a lot. I think I already did the Elvis, but I'll do it again, man.
Thank you very much.
And on that note, again, Ethereum going up. So it's doing great, right? It's doing awesome, dude. We had the bullish divergence strong. We knew that we had a possibility for actually the upside. We were here last night struggling to get above 1,420. I think by the time we were doing the stream, we were actually up on this level. Look at that. We even struggled for one more candle, then used it as support, and boom, we bounced, right? So that's what we wanted to see. That's precisely what we're getting. And again, Ethereum doing really good. Nothing bearish. Higher, positive, more positive. High on the other side to a higher point. Overbought at 73.73. It's the only bad thing that it has going on for it, that it's overbought. But on the 1 hour, we're probably going to have bearish divergence, right? Ethereum and Ice Cream. Do it. Montera's in the house. Dude, thanks for being here.
What's up?
Guys, again, you can put the request in the list, right? If you need me to look at something, just put the request. I'm not sure. GRT, sure, man. And if you don't see me acknowledging the coin, probably I didn't see it. And, just let me know again, right? You can repeat it. It's not a problem. Share the stream, get your friends here. Yes, that would be really legendary, actually. Ethereum, what's it doing here, dude? We were looking for this bearish divergence, right? I know it's not matched against anything. This line's here, it's not here. For some reason, it did save what I was tracing against the chart, but not what I was saving against the MACD or the RSI, right? So, and it matches with the time that we were live, right? Yesterday at 23 hours. So I was looking for some kind of bearish divergence happening here. We did pump more, right? And as you can tell, we're definitely going higher here on all accounts, here to here. And then from here to here, we're coming slightly lower, but I was looking for this bearish divergence. We didn't get it here. We're getting it up here, and that it's strong bearish divergence. And that is part of the reason that we're stalling right now. Look at that sideways motion, trying to recover and regain more terrain. Is that going to be good for Ethereum? not likely we're going to end up creating more bearish divergence, right? So more bearish divergence for action to the downside. And that would imply that we're going to go high, higher, high, and then come from this positive momentum. Look how low we are right now. It's going to take a lot of strength. Look at how much strength it took to rally from here to here, and still we managed to create that bearish divergence. Not only did we have it against the MACD, we also have it against the RSI. Look at that, right? So it's going to take a lot of strength for Bitcoin to get out of this slump, or sorry, Ethereum to get out of this move of bearish divergence. It's not a slump, it's just bearish divergence. But, you know, it has a possibility for action to the downside. And that's what I would be expecting to see. If we rally more and we don't do it with a lot of strength, we might create strong bearish divergence. We might start making negative momentum. That negative momentum could get us down, hit that 20 again. We'll see. The chief has spoken.
What's up?
Mazier, great, man. I don't think I missed anything. Oh, STMX? Sure, man. And I'm just writing all the coins down, right, and updating this thing. Dude, so many people in tonight. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate you all, guys, for reals. Let's keep going, dude. Now we're starting to create that bearish divergence that we were talking about. We still have plenty of minutes to go on this candle, 30 minutes or so. But we're going to start tracking this move here, right? I'm just saying it's there. I'm not calling it an action to downside right now, but it could start certainly to put that pressure on Bitcoin or Ethereum to go down, right? If Ethereum's developing it, I'm almost positive that Bitcoin might also have it. And I'm actually just going to revisit real quick. Sitting bought at overbought at 70.16 on Ethereum. So on that note, I'm going to go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 36,100 and change. Yeah, look, it's going slightly higher. If I zoom in, you can see that it's definitely, oh, now it came back and touched that level. But it's slightly higher, so it's also starting to create that bearish divergence. Again, Bitcoin is going to take a lot of strength. This is all one island, and look how much we got to pump, right? So it's really, really going to take a lot of strength for it to get rid of that and shake it off. Secondary Armor, what's up, dude? Spike Jones, is it cold? It's chilly today. Actually, it's not super cold, but it's a little bit chilly. I'll tell you what's the weather. Yeah, it's not super cold. It's just, it feels chilly for some reason, but it's not super chilly. It's like 61 Fahrenheit. It's gonna drop to about 48. So it's gonna get to 43. Oh, it says 43 right now. Sorry, 60. It says 61. I'm not sure. It's probably not updating. It says that by 22 hours, we're supposed to be at 43. So who knows? This is an insane drop, dude. Something off of the chart, but we'll see. Anyways, awesome. We're in Alabama. Net White Insurance. Es una pregunta. What? Swing? I'm not sure. Your message got deleted, man. And you're telling me, I'm not sure why your messages are getting deleted, bro. Let me know. Ah, cool. I'm also in Mexico City, dude. That's pretty cool. The output on top of the chat is pretty legit. What do you mean? I'm not sure. I'm getting that Poppy Pizza, but thank you for that, man. Let's keep rolling. Ethereum, that's that. Let's go to XRP. Let's see how XRP is doing, because, you know, I got that pump and, you know, dump stuff happening. Let's check it out. Let's see how it's doing, right? 38, so not too bad. We did drop a little bit more yesterday. Right now, trying to recover some. Still above that 37, right? We managed to hold it at support. We talked about that being a possibility, and we did hold it at support at 37.07. Right now, sitting at 38.40. So about a cent and then a change up. Nothing bearish besides what we were calling here, and it was this move from low to high, right? So again, we lost data yesterday, so I'm gonna have to retrace some of the stuff that we did. So that there is what we had. Get rid of it in the day 1 hour. Let's go to the 4-hour chart for Ethereum. XRP. We went higher again. Went to there. That's fine. We lost it against the MACD. What we called this yesterday. They were creating this hidden divergence. So see how some of the stuff didn't save, and then some of the stuff saved, like this line, but we no longer have it. And we're going from low to negative tomorrow, negative momentum. And with that, we had that hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. And look, we're moving up slightly. Not a lot, but slightly. Neutral at 48.41. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what we have there. Again, XRP getting above the 20, which is fine. We're looking for some divergence here, I believe. This is from the... might be from the 4 hour. It's also from the 4 hour, I think. No, it's from the 1 hour. All right. So I don't have this matched to anything. Low to high, low, lower, right? We're looking for that hidden bullish also here. There we are. Not the RSI, man. The line. Fix the line. There we go. High, low, low, high, right? We had some hidden bearish. And that started to put some pressure on the price to move down. We did move down slightly, found support again, got up above the same area, and now we're just struggling to stay above 37 cents. High, low, positive, high on their side, low on their side to higher point. Great. Hidden bearish. Potential action to downside. And, you know, we're just getting really, really tight. Look at how the Bollinger Bands have contracted. They're extremely contracted, right? That means that volatility has left. That's why we're getting these very small moves. And if I zoom out, you're going to see that this looks, dude, very tiny, right? Look at this. Still getting used to the new mouse, and then now it scrolls out really quick, man. Anyways, a lot of tightness. That means that volatility is going to come back in at some point in time. It's going to really just burst, and we're going to get a violent move, right? That's what we expect when we have a volatility, a violent move. We don't know if it's going to be to the upside or the downside. Right now, we have the hidden bearish. That is it for XRP. Again, support at 37.07, and then to the upside, we have resistance at, for some reason, I have a line at 45. Red might be a resistance. I have another line at 45.83, which is where I believe could be hitting the next resistance. I'm not sure why I have this one here. I'm actually getting rid of this. There we go. Jorge Santiago, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated.
What's up?
Let's keep rolling, dude. Let's move on to Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin? Litecoin on the daily, right? Look, hidden bullish. Moving up, positive, high to low, positive, high low. Got above the 100%, right? Yesterday we did manage to go and hit it again. The 100% fib is at 146.30. $146.30. We actually did hit 145.95, so slightly higher. Still managed to close below that area, still above the 20, and today we're moving up, hitting the top of the Bollinger Bands right now, but still above the previous high, which is pretty cool. Now we have this high to get above, and we actually have $164.78 to target. Let's see if we can get there, man. Engine coin's already on the list, right? You can see that right there in the corner. It comes through and scrolls, and that is the list that we're gonna do right now. So if you see a coin there, just wait for us to get there. I'm just basically following that list. So whatever coin you see me at, just add up more. Oh, for some reason, Atom's on the list. We didn't do Atom tonight. I think it's from when we got a tip yesterday. So there we go. Updated. Should be updated. No name. Thanks for being here. Should get a name. XRP and consolidation. Yeah, XRP and consolidation, man. That's it for Litecoin on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, higher, positive, less positive, more positive. Let's check. More positive momentum. Great. Positive, more positive, right? High on the RSI to higher point. Overbought at 71.02. So nothing bearish, man. Still can go up. Has nothing against it. That is great for Litecoin. So let's move on and check out the 1 hour chart. And on the 1 hour chart, you can see this nice move, right? Rejection, getting up, and then still moving up. So awesome. Do we have bearishness? Yes, we created some bearish divergence back here for action to downside, right? And look at that. We have that against, briefly against the MACD, right here, and against the RSI. It's a little bit more noticeable from high to low, right? So bearish divergence, action to downside, move down, hit that 20 and took a pop. And that pop that we're doing right now is still creating bearish divergence. We're definitely coming up higher, but we're not shaking off that bearish divergence yet. Started to create this new island of positive momentum. It's just 4 bars long, and you know, again, same move, and then from here to here, the same move, right? strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. A lot of the market's starting to develop strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour chart. That means we could be moving back down. On Litecoin, a move down would get us to $143 or $146, sorry, and then a potential retest of the 20 at $144 if $146 and change does not hold. That's it for Litecoin. Is Litecoin losing its juice or will they moon, man? Oh, they're starting to go up, right? We're seeing a lot of projects go up right now. So they're all pumping. That's good. That means money is flowing into a lot of cryptos. We don't know yet how strong the moon's going to be. We just know that projects are going up and after being stagnating for a while. So some alts were moving, right? Some alts were moving. Look at Litecoin. It's been moving up very nicely over the last couple of hours, at least since yesterday at 11. Look at that. Very nice rally, along with Bitcoin and the rest. So they're all moving in synchrony right now. Let's go to RSR. RSR at 4 cents. Yo, that's cool. We're a little bit higher today, almost 4.3. But at 4 cents, it's fine. Let's go on the daily. We didn't have anything going on besides the hidden divergence, the hidden bullish. Moving up slightly, that was great. We did manage to get above that 20 right now. Moving down, almost retesting it, but still holding on above that 20. Nothing bearish right now. Neutral at 56. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Sorry. I was looking for bearish divergence from here to here and from here to here, right? And it did play down for a candle, hit support of the 20 and then popped. And that's great. So now we're definitely going higher, right? And higher on the RSI and the MACD. So we have nothing on the 4 hour. Or just bought at 61.31. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and see where we're at there, right? Lee Masley just bought RSR at 2. That's awesome, dude. I got into RSR at 3, like here, 3.128. It was actually my entry. So here I was looking for the bearish divergence last night from here to here, right? Yeah, something like this. I think we had divergence from here to here. That's why I had the line there. And we did pull back slightly, so we might have negated it. But it's fine. We're looking for this divergence. And we move to the downside, right? Take a bounce at the 20, take a bounce at the 20, take a bounce at the 20. It's holding the 20 as support, and that is pretty good. We don't have anything against the RSI. Look, every time it's going higher. Right, here it's also going higher, but on the RSI, on the MACD, we are definitely coming lower every time. Look, from here to here. 1 hour, great. And then from here to here, look, from here to here. Right. And every time we're definitely coming lower. Look, high, low. And then still high, low, right? So positive, less positive. So potential action to downside. We're going down. This time we're not hitting the 20. It looks like we want to bounce. It's better if we go and hit the 20 and find support, right? It just gives us a little bit more... let's say it makes it bounce a little bit stronger, I would say, because we're definitely noticing that we don't want to be bearish by going below that 20. So hitting the 20, I do believe it's a good indicator of action to the upside. Trying to go up from here, it could be a weak pump, right? We're not hitting support, we're not hitting anything, we're just trying to like rally from where we're at, right? So this one, I think after we hit the 20, and look at it, every time we hit the 20, we bounce better, right? Than when we haven't hit the 20, like maybe... I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll find another example, but usually hitting the 20 is the best thing you can do. Hit the 20 and bounce. Liz Cutter, new all-time high in Ethereum. Yeah, I know, right? Ethereum, new, right now? New, right now? Is that what you're telling me? Right now? I don't think right now, right? Maybe right now. Do we go slightly higher? Doesn't 549, what do we have this line at? Yeah, almost a couple cents, right? New all-time high on Ethereum. We're here for that. If you were here, let's hype that because we just got there, man. And now we're rejecting again, same area, right? Almost. So 1,550 seems to be a sort of support right now. Brad, what's up, man? Thank you for being here. Dude, so many people in the house. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. I'm not sure how many likes we're at right now, but usually we lag on likes. 175 people, only 67 likes. Come on, hook us up with some likes. Love the channel.
To do the buy.
Yeah, we're buyed. Let's go to DVT, man. After DVT, we'll do a small recap. That's going to be 6 coins, and I think I'm going to do every 6 coins today. So I was told yesterday that I should recap more often. So just recap of Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Let me do DVT, and then on the next wave, it's going to be XLM, Uni, Engine, Comp, FTM, and Rook. That's up next in the queue. Let's check out DBT real quick. Is it pumping or is it stabilizing? 1,768. So 0.1768 cents. It's at 4.9. It dropped a little bit. Dropped by a sat from when I last looked at it. Let's get some indicators out here. MACD and RSI. We're not going to be finding a lot. As you can tell, it's flatlining. Right? Most of the move has been more or less subdued. So it could be taking a breather before it actually tries to do something again. Let's get this to show as columns. And green. There we go. Let's see what's going on here, right? Low, lower, negative, less negative, right? So strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. It's really not taking off yet. Actually managed to drop a little bit more. And on that drop, we're going here. And then we can go from this island to this tiny island here, I think. And say, look, we have that strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Let's see if we can materialize this. What?
Cheers to Ethereum.
Espinosa Young, dude. Thank you very much for that, man.
With me, legendary. Thank you very much.
One up, bro. Thank you for that, man. I really appreciate that. How's the experience South Exchange? I like it so far, dude. I haven't had any problems. So far it's been good. XLM. Sure, it's already on the list, man. It's going 7, Michael. Jafar! You should know. You should know. I cannot tell you what you should invest it on. Dude, Espinosa Young, thank you very much for the awesome, dude. And cheers to Ethereum, bro. It's doing extremely well. Yo, no, thank you guys for being here. Steve, 88 is already on the list, I think. Yeah. It's coin 16. Stiffs in the house.
What's up?
I hadn't seen you earlier, man, so I'm just saying what's up right now. Anyways, Bitcoin, let's go to the 4 hour. Sorry, not Bitcoin, DBT to Bitcoin. Let's go to another time scale because everything here is good, so nothing bearish. 4 hour chart. High low, positive, positive, high low right now. Sitting neutral at 41.23. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Nothing bullish right now. Let's go to the daily, man. The daily had some hidden bullish, right? And we're seeing that stall. But again, it's just failing to really take off. So we're doing a small drop. If we fail to drop lower than the previous drop again, we could be looking for continuation to the upside. And this move is looking like this, right? We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Hidden bullish divergence. So that's the last thing we have here. So hidden bullish. Let's see if we can manage to materialize this into an actual... sorry, I did the bear, man. It's hidden bullish, though. There we go, man. Hidden bullish. Let's see if we can get it to off, man. Hit the wrong button.
Sorry.
Let's see, Ethereum, right? Still has this potential divergence here being built. Again, I'm just saying potential because we got a pump here a lot. We've established that earlier, so. Let's do quick recaps. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Where the Bitcoin at? 36,260. Again, Bitcoin didn't have this earlier. It was starting to manufacture, then we pulled back down slightly, and I didn't draw it. But if you remember, we were talking about this move on Bitcoin going slightly higher, and then it's going to take a lot of strength to get rid of that. Oh no, get rid of that. There we go. High to low, right? And then also high to low. So still bought at 68.95. Great. That's that, dude. That's it for Bitcoin recap. Again, really quick, just so what we're getting to right now. I did it in detail at the beginning of the stream. Ethereum, we might do in detail again a little bit later on, but right now it's really not doing anything. Bearish divergence trying to build potential fraction to the downside, rejecting at 1,549.99, which is previous or recent new all-time high. Which again, it's pretty solid. Let's go check out XLM, man. I gotta figure out which XLM chart's the one we look at, because I did arrange everything alphabetically today, and a lot of things shifted, so. Right, what do we have here? We had hidden bullish, and we're pumping on that. And right now, we're starting to create strong bearish. Look, this, I'm gonna zoom in a lot more so you guys can see this, all right? The price is right here, and we're slightly higher on that dotted line. You might not be able to see it if you're on your cell phone, but it's definitely going slightly higher. And on that note, right, we're coming from here to a slightly higher point right now on the daily. And with that, we're going to be creating strong bearish divergence. Again, I'm not going to put a lot of weight into it right now, because we're starting to make this new island of positive momentum, right? 1, 2, third candle. We also have it against the RSI, but this island can go on building. We can keep on making higher highs and until we try to negate it. Against the RSI is going to take a lot of strength. Against the MACD is going to take a lot of strength. It might kick in, but we can still have potential to go up a little bit more. Zoom out. Look at the teacup. Awesome. Michael, cup and handle. Cosmos? Sure, we'll look at Cosmos. We did it yesterday. And it had a potential double bottom, and we actually talked about that. So we're going to go check it out today. Thank you for asking about that, man. Cup and handle. On what time scale, dude? Here? I'm not looking at a cup and handle here yet, so I'm not sure what cup and handle you want me to see here. Might be on a different time scale. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're in the 4 hour, right? We missed, or it got deleted, basically, this move from here to here. Because I had that line here and also had this line here. Which is going from here to here, right? For the hidden bullish. So like I told you guys, I lost some data from yesterday, so I'm going to have to recreate part of some charts. At least some of the data against the main chart stayed, but against the indicators it got deleted. Which kind of sucks, but, you know. At least we know we left some evidence of what we were calling yesterday. So from here to here. So we had the strong bearish divergence, fraction of downside, then we created a hidden bullish, and we're pumping on that, and that's really good. Now, we are coming, in theory, from this positive momentum island, which is very tiny, now almost non-existent, and I really feel like ignoring it, because it's so small. Look, I'll make it larger so you can see. Right, it's just very tiny there, right? And if I ignored it, and I go from here to here, right, we're going to start to create some bearish divergence strong against the MACD, and we also seem to have it against the RSI, so I'm more inclined to go with that by ignoring that small positive momentum island and just go and say, look, we're starting to develop strong bearish divergence, just be careful. It is the second bar that we're making of negative momentum, or positive momentum, sorry. So just keep an eye out for that, right? Michael says, look at the daily time frame. So I'm assuming on XLM, right? Because that's where I'm at. So. Like, I'm assuming you want this to be the cup, and then this the handle. I'm not liking it as a cup and handle, bro. I'll even show you why. Since we were here, and this is an education channel, I'm going to show you something real quick. See if I can find it in this book. Right, so this is what a cup and handle should look like, right? So we get that cup here, and then the small handle. I'm not seeing that here, or at least not as defined, right? This pump kind of ruins the cup and handle, I think. I mean, you could look at it as a cup and handle if you wanted to, right? That's fine. I have nothing against it being a cup and handle. But again, I'm going with a reference that I know I can rely on, so. Right. And again, look, this is another cup and handle. It's not as pretty looking. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see it very well, but damn it, I just seem to lose it every time I do this. But look, here's the cup, right? This one has a little bit better cup here, right? And then here's the handle, right? Look at how the cup looks at how round it is, right? And then you get that handle, and then you get the upside move. Here, right? I'm not liking this as a cup. It like goes too high too fast for me. You could say it's a cup and handle. That's fine. I'm not going to argue with it. Just for me, it wouldn't really fit the bill. Sean Crosby, Bulkowski? Yeah, Bulkowski, man. Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns by Bulkowski, Thomas Bulkowski. So for me, bro, I would not say it's a cup and handle. I mean, you could say it is. For me, it doesn't look cup and handle-ish. I think there's more textbook-looking cup and handles that could be better. But that's it for XLM on the daily, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. We finished the 4 hour. Now we're gonna go to the 1 hour chart and see where we're at there. So again, get above that 31 cent area, and we're holding support very nicely. Now we're starting to pump a little bit. On the short term, we're starting to create that strong bearish divergence here. Hello, right? So there is that strong bearish divergence starting to be built for potential action to the downside, right? We don't have anything bullish here behind this happening. We already talked about that yesterday. We didn't have anything. Trailer market motion. We're running with the market, getting at 34 cents. That's very good for XLM right now. But we're starting to create this bearish divergence. Checking the chat real quick, make sure I'm not missing anything. Federico Getty. We get the entry point, establish the position. Again, guys, I'm gonna tell you what a good entry point is or not. That you gotta determine that, right? I cannot give you advice as to when to get in or out of the market. That being said, look, if you want to look at a cup and handle, I would even suggest this micro thing here as a better looking cup and handle than the one where we were looking at, right? Look at this. This will be your cup. Again, I'm not saying this is a cup and handle, but if you want to look at a cup and handle, right? And this would be your small handle here, right? Right. So cup and handle, and then you get the movement to the upside, right? So this is actually a better looking cup and handle than the one on the daily. Right, it's a micro cup and handle. It's like one of those Barbie cups, right? It's like drinking small tea with your kids. Anyways, let's go to Uni. Uni up next, because apparently it's a pumping, man. I need to get it. I need to get the pump it sound, man, for the clipboard. See if I can find it later on. So what do we have for Uni, man? Let's go on the daily first. Going up again, went parabolic. So no point in calling technicals here because there's a bigger chance they're not going to play out. Short term, we're starting to create some bearish divergence, right? And we did move down slightly on that. But this is the only thing they're going to have here on Uni, right? Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside, we move down slightly below the 3618. That is a very, very high fib node, actually. And I'm just worried that we have not made a valid retrace to where I can actually re-anchor the fibs, and that's actually what I want to do. Michael, my man, if you would have just zoomed out, look at XLM September 2018. All right, so you want me to look farther out. Okay, you should have said that, man. All right, so I wasn't sure what time frame you were looking at. Sometimes it's easier if you send me the stuff on the Discord, right? Send me an image of what you're looking at, then I can see it, right? So it really helps me a lot. So, look, just because we just done that one, I'm going to go to it real quick just to make sure I can see what you're talking about. But if I cannot find it quickly, I'm going to move on. So you're saying it's a huge cup and handle. XLM, dude, I'm not seeing that here, maybe. You said September. So you're looking at this as a huge cup, and then this as a handle? I guess, right? I'm assuming that's what you're looking at. So we should be able to see it on the weekly, and it should be looking better, right? So I guess what you're suggesting is that this is a cup, right? And then this is a handle, right? I guess. I'm not sure, dude. I'm trying to like interpret what you're saying. But if you're in the Discord, it's much easier, Michael, if you send me a picture, and that way I can see what you're talking about, and then try to recreate it here on the same charts, right? So, because right now I'm just like guessing what you're looking at, right? Anyways, let's go back to Uni. $19.11, right? We rejected that previous high, so it's fine. Let's keep rolling. 4 hour Uni. Right, look, here we also created bearish divergence. strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? So, Michael, I hope I did justice to the cup and handle you were spotting, dude. I'm not sure. Send it to me on the Discord, man. It's easier, and I can check it out in a recap, right? So, make it easier for me to like go and look at it, right? So, if you're still here, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit like, develop, sub. Join us in the Discord. Links in the description. Nah, we're making that hidden bullish. Yes, we are. So we're creating hidden bullish right now on Uni, and that could give some stalling and maybe a chance to try to get above that $20 mark and even try to get above the previous high it just made at 20.78, which is really cool. At the justice, you'll send the pick. Awesome, dude. That's gonna help me a ton, man. I mean, I had to go on the weekly because on the daily it was a little bit weird to look at the handle, probably because I had so much data in there. But yeah, if you help me out with that picture, dude, I'll try to retrace what you're looking at for the people to see, and it just makes it easier, right? That way, nothing gets lost on imagination, basically. Because I'm trying to see where it's at, so I'm trying to imagine where you're looking at. So great, moving up, awesome. Neutral, we're bought at 60.07. So on that note, hidden bullish, potential rally again, maybe to test resistance at 20 bucks. That's it for Uni. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for Uni. Look at this. We had that hidden bullish, or sorry, strong bullish back here. Took that very nice pop higher. Did we go more positive, dude? No, strong bearish divergence against the RSI. What? It's there, man. I swear I can see it with my eyes. So from here to here and from here to here. Great. Strong bearish divergence. Actually downside, moving down. We also have it here against the RSI, right? So awesome. There it is. Going down, so low, high, negative, less, negative, low on there, such a higher point. Short term here, we might have created some strong bullish divergence. Let me zoom in and I'll tell you where I'm looking at right now. I'm looking from here to here, right? But when it's flat, when it's shortage, looks like a flat move. So sometimes gotta make that MACD larger and it makes it easier to see, right? So great, man. For some reason, one of my monitors is shifted, so I'll put it the way I have it. There we go, man. Awesome, dude. Dude, 200 plus people. Great, man. Guys, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Come on. Happy because we have 235 people in the house tonight. Thank you all for being here. Frederick is saying all-time high back in. We're gonna go look at Ethereum in a second, man. Let me actually move through this block and I'll go back to Ethereum, right? If you were shorting Ethereum, you're probably
Fatality.
not doing that good, right? It's still going up. If you were shorting it, now if you're longing it, you're probably good, but you know. That being said, Uni, we had this divergence again, right? Action to the upside, strong bullish, taking a small pop, hitting the 20, finding support. So if we can manage to go higher, nothing else happening here that is bearish. So Uni looking good right now. Let's go to engine. Already says, I feel if Bitcoin cleanly breaks 37, we can touch 40K. Yeah, actually, but I think it's gonna be stronger if it pulls back, touches that area again, the 37,500 or whatever we have our resistance at. If it touches it as support and bounces, I think it's gonna be a stronger bounce. It's gonna be much stronger. Hugo Quaresma. You're mining Ethereum. Wow. That's so cool, man. Ain't it cool when you like money makes you money, like when you're mining like that? That's so cool, man. Congrats on that, Hugo. Let's keep rolling, man. Let's go to engine. Let's get on the daily, man. Again, bearish divergence, actually downside. Move down, hitting that 20, finding support, popping, getting above the 786, which is at 35 cents. Right now, sitting at 36.77. Again, hidden bullish here, right on the engine. From here to here. Let's just anchor this on the daily. Bitcoin's a pumping. We're gonna go back to them in a second, guys. Come on, give me a break. Neutral at 58.31. Look, I'll even compromise. I'll go to them right after Engine. So we'll recap them because apparently they're pumping, and we'll do a break at the third coin, and then we'll go back. We'll come back to continue, right? We'll see what they're doing because everyone's screaming at me. Bitcoin's a pumping and Ethereum's a pumping, so we're gonna go check it out. A little high here in the last bit, also against the RSI, right? So neutral at 55.68, high, low, positive. What am I looking at here? Positive, more positive. So, not liking this one here a lot. It's starting to create that hidden bearish divergence. Right here. Hidden bearish divergence, actually downside, hitting that support at 76, bouncing, which is good. Neutral at 56.93. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Hive, sure, man. Sorry, my phone was vibrating like crazy. I just wanted to make sure it was not an emergency or anything like that. So, Engine, let's check it, dude. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on there, such a hard point. Great. Just what I can look at here real quick on Engine. It's from here to here, we're creating strong bearish divergence, right? Just gonna anchor this in the 1 hour, and then from here to here, right? Actually, the downside, we move down, then low, lower, negative, less negative. So we create some strong bullish, and then we take this very nice rally, right? And again, I'm not seeing anything bearish here, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, right? High, higher on the RSI, so everything's good. We just came back down, hit that 20 support, trying to move up. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI to hard point. Nothing bullish right now. So we could still get continuation of the bullishness. That's fine. We're highly overbought, right? That's probably why we came back down at 75.99. And right now we're still neutral at 59.51. So that's it for Engine. Again, nothing bearish on it. And I'm noticing some hidden bullish. It's within the same island. It might be enough to have us play this to the upside, right? I'll just point it out real quick from here to here and from here to here. It's just on this very, very last bit. So that's that for Engine, right? Some hidden bullish, potential movement to the upside. Let's see if we're going to get that. Let's go back to Bitcoin because it's pumping a lot. Sure. It's going up a little bit since we called it. Great. So we're trying to shake off the divergence. Against the RSI, we did. Right, against the RSI, we no longer have it. Great. Against the MACD, we still have it. I just got to reposition the anchoring points, right? So instead of going from here to here, it's just going to go from here to here. And from here, right, to there. So strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Against the RSI, we're killing it, man. We're killing it, Smalls. We're killing it. Look, it's going from here at 71.84 to 73, so definitely higher. And that's good. Let's hope, like I said, it's going to take a strong pump to get rid of it against the MACD, and it will, because we still have to get higher in this previous island here. 180, right now we're sitting at 90, so we need to double that. Great, man. Yeah, Isaiah, we just covered Ethereum. Actually, just going to recap it right now again, because still pumping, dude. It's making new all-time highs, or very close to new all-time highs. No, we didn't, dude. We didn't go to new all-time highs, dude. We're just very close to them, right? All-time highs at 1,549. 1,549.99. Right now, we're very close to that area. Look at the 1 minute chart. Why would you look at the 1 minute chart, dude? I don't go into the 1 minute chart, Crispy Nugget. Sorry about that, man. Lowest I would go is probably the 15 minute, and that is just if we really need to. Yo, thank you all for being here, guys. Again, amazing to have so many people in the house tonight, being part of this awesome community. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub. Join us on the Discord. Well, let's go check out Comp up next. Gotta keep on moving through the block, right? We'll come back to them. Don't worry. Comp at $347.93. What do we have for Comp? Tell us what's in store for Comp. We had bearish divergence here. We moved down on that, pumped higher. We didn't have anything else that was bearish. We knew that we were going extremely bullish. So that's fine. We're starting to pull back down a little bit, getting very, very close to that 1618. Bought at 69.93. That's it. Let's go here. Oh, data cannot be saved. So I already have a lot of data on the charts again. So high positive was positive, high low, right? Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside. We started to move down on that, hitting that 20, trying to find support, hitting it again, or very close to hitting it. And let's see if we can manage to get enough strength to pump this, because it is creating hidden bullish divergence, right? And it's creating it right at a support, the 20 moving average. And that's where we're seeing that pump. So it's good. I like what we're seeing here. Even from back here, right, which is a lower, still going to here, right? And here we don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. Hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Let's see if we can manage to hold on to that 20 still and go and hit that 1618, which is going to be at $384.79 for comp. Now let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here I was looking for the hidden divergence here, right? For me to here. I know some of the data, remember, it didn't save yet last night, but it broke it. It broke it. I'm going to go to it in a second, guys. Let me do comp and then I'll finish comp and go back to Ethereum. Barely want to see it pump, so that's fine. We are making history on Ethereum. The greatest coin minted so far. I'm kidding, dude. It is fairly cool, though, that it's pumping and making new all-time highs, right? So again, we have that hidden bearish divergence, direction of downside, moving down on that. Nothing else that is bullish happening here so far, and that's that for this, right? Again, comp, some hidden bearish, moving down on that, trying to hold on to that 20. We're breaking below it right now. Let's see where we're going to go. That's what we're expecting, potential movement down. Sound Central 88, congrats Ethereum. Let's go back to Ethereum, and yo, it is going higher. Hype horn. Yo, it is going definitely very nice for Ethereum, man. Is Bitcoin breaking 37K? Nah. But look, again, same thing, right? I'm just going to go to here. And remember what I told you guys, we're creating this divergence? Look, it's still there. So it's cool. I love the fact that Ethereum is pumping. It's going to take a lot of strength to shake it off. It might play to the downside. So just be careful. We are creating strong bearish divergence. So yeah, Ethereum pumping. Great, dude. Y'all give a hand to Ethereum, please.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's it. Ethereum, thank you very much for pumping and making the stream awesome tonight. 1,556. What? It's still going, dude. We'll come back and readjust our high in a little bit. Yeah. If you're holding Ethereum, drop a dab in the chat. This is the most used in the live stream. Nah, it's not the most used in the live stream. We've had way more. I think 600 when Bitcoin pumped a while back. So it was an insane event. I actually came on live earlier instead later. It was like a 5-hour long string or something like that. It was insane. Dubai opens in 1.50. What? 1 hour and 50 minutes. Interesting. But that's an elbow cough. I know, but it's the de facto dab emoji also. Anyways, let's go. And we already did comp, so I'm gonna move on to FTM. I'm gonna come back to it, right? We're gonna keep on coming back to it because it's pumping, dude. It's we're making history in Ethereum. We're watching history be made. Thank you for being part of history with me. Right? Because it is history. Good stuff happening tonight. Good stuff happened to awesome traders sometimes. Again, look at this on Phantom, right? Going higher. Let's get rid of this in the 1 hour. Great. And then look at this, right? Boom. Blam. Bam. Blam, right? Bearish divergence. Strong. Potential for extra downside. Let's watch how Phantom's going to keep on playing out. Again, it's potential. I'm not calling it that's going to go down right now. But it could go down. It could go down to 20 at 7.06 cents. We're now sitting at 14.36 cents. It's a big drop on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look, on the 4 hour, before the small rally that we're getting, we created some strong bullish divergence. And that is pretty legit. I like that. I like that it's well sustained pump, right, with technicals, meaning that we can look at stuff and say, look, it's pumping because of this. High, low, positive, high on the other side, color point, bought at 62.03, so it's clear to still move up higher. We came up, hit that support of the 20 and bouncing on that, and that's really good. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, are we creating this divergence, man? I'm worried here, man. I'm worried, man. Ooh, is it? I'm gonna have to check the data. 002917, 002958, slightly higher, man. Very slightly, also higher and higher. So that's great. From this island, from here on this island, we're doing good, right? Even from this island, right? High. Everything's good. Here, short term, just from here to here. And from here to here, high to low, right on the other side, we're starting to develop strong bearish divergence. And that could give some possibility for action to the downside here. It is a nice move, right? From here to here, and negative, less negative, right? So strong bullish divergence before we actually are getting into this rally. So again, a well-founded rally on divergence, and I like that. Here we also had strong bullish divergence back here. Right. Strong bullish pump and then strong bullish pump again. Very nice. Again, right now, strong bearish, but bought at 68.40, and that's it for FTM. Again, great, man. Let's keep rolling. Up next, Rook. We never looked at that one before. I'm almost positive. We looked at it against W Ethereum. So since it didn't come with a pair, I think I'm just gonna go with the dollar or on Poloniex, because this one was a weird one. I don't like that chart. Oh, it doesn't look the prettiest. Let's get another one. This was also looking all weird and stuff, so not the best looking chart. There we go. So I gotta determine which one I want to look at. Is it this one? So I'm gonna go with this chart that says it's worth $598, or this chart that says it's worth $496. It's a big difference, about $100 difference, man. Get rid of this. Let's go here. You know what? I think we're gonna have to go with the W Ethereum chart because it's just weird. Wow, dude! Whoever requested Rook, I'm gonna come back to it. Just tell me what you want to look at against the dollar, Ethereum, W Ethereum, Bitcoin, something, because the all charts look horrible, man. I do want to do this justice. This one is the one that looks a little bit better, but it's against wrapped Ethereum, so you know it's gonna gain and lose against Ethereum, I guess. So just let me know which one you want to look at, right? And I'll come back to it if you requested Rook. So I'm gonna skip over to new real quick, and Rook to the dollar. All right, cool. Crypto got lower. That was a quick reply. So USD. It's gonna be. I think we're gonna go to the Poloniex chart, I guess. Slightly higher, a little bit more gappy, but. Well, we'll see, man. 598. Let's go on the daily. We might have better data here. So on the daily, there's strong bearish divergence being built against the RSI, because that's the only thing we can chart it against right now. So yeah, go to this for the hour. That's fine. And then look high to low. Right, starting to develop it. Bought at 68.35, making the all-time highs. Unless I'm gonna not ignore this because I'm not sure if this wick is real or not, but you know, I'm gonna ignore it for now. Short term, right? Creating strong bearish divergence, high, higher high. And then positive, less positive, right? Right now, bought at 65.60, doesn't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Strong bearish divergence, and with that potential for action to downside, maybe. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, see what we have there. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on there, so the hard point doesn't have anything bearish there. You have something bullish. Yeah, hidden bullish. All right, low, high, negative, or negative, right? Potential direction to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And that we're looking for this pump again. It just gapped up here. So for some reason, the chart's not looking the best, right? So that's the best I'm gonna be able to do here for Rook, right? It's not the best chart to look at. So did we really break it out to 1,250 subs? That's awesome. Thank you guys for helping me break that. It's to me it just shows me 2,240, but thanks, appreciate that. Let's keep rolling, man. New. Sorry, dude. Crypto cat lover. It's not the best chart, man. All right, I wish I could do better things here. It's near impossible to with all the gappage that there is in this chart. But you know, on the daily you have some strong bearish. On the 4 hour you have strong bearish, and then on the 1 hour you have some hidden bullish. We'll see, man. All right, so it's out there, right? It's undecided. So let's go to new. Keegan says, when are you guys going to short? First, I don't like shorting, but you guys can short if you want. I don't like shorting very much. Yeah, Adam's already on the list, I think. I'm not sure if I updated the file, though. No, I haven't. I forgot to write Adam here. There we go. Victorina says 36.7. Awesome, Victor. Thank you for that. Let's go new. Again. New to the dollar at 28 cents. 28.29. Great. What is new doing, dude? We have looked at this before. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to hard point. Overbought at 71.46. Nothing there. Getting above that 236, which is really good. Holding support there, which again, it's still really good. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what we have there. Right, so we had bearish divergence, potential action downside, move down on that, rejecting that 786 here, right, on this fibs that we have here on this 4 hour chart. Rejection come down, hitting that 20 and bouncing, so it's good so far. Low, high, negative, more negative, right, hidden bullish divergence, right, and again, potential for a bounce to happen of sorts. So from here and from here to here. Right, we don't have it against the RSI. Bought at 60.77. So again, we have that hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Great. It's a little bit bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, see what we have there, man. On the 1 hour, I have a line here. I'm almost sure I was anchoring from somewhere, and it looks like it should have been from here. Again, lost some of the charts that we did yesterday, right? So some of the data that we did yesterday, not some of the charts, but that's that. Again, hidden bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite. We got that rally, hit the 20, rejected, fell to drop lower on the previous low. Continuation of the bullishness, hitting resistance at the 786. Breaking back down. Did we create something bearish here? High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish here. Again, this probably shifted this yesterday. But again, since some of the data didn't save, it's no longer there. Nothing else. We're moving sideways. We're channeling, right? We're between that 786 at 2908, 2911, and 26.22, which is also very close to that 618. That's where new is at, right? On the 1 hour, it's clear. It just has that hidden bullish, and that's it. Let's go to Aave. So I'm on the daily, bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. Move down slightly. Remember I told you super bullish? Bearish indicators might not play out. We're just moving slightly, right? Trying to curve here, nothing bullish happening. Overbought at 71.26. It can still go on and try to go higher if it wants to. It does have that strong bearish divergence, or strong bearish divergence. A chance that it could go down, right? So again, a little bit on the fence as to what this is going to do, because it's in a bull trend. It's super bullish. So bearish indicators cannot play out, or might not play out. There's a chance this might get ignored and we pump slightly higher, right? And then we create more bearish divergence. But right now, at least we got the move down. That's expected. We're not seeing the complete trend change right now. It looks like we still want to be bullish and you know, holding on here. So that's fairly good. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, we were looking for this hidden bullish here. It pumped, rejected 20, went here, and now we still have this hidden bullish, I guess. And we're not matching it with anything here. So to me, that means that it's stuff that we looked at yesterday and just didn't save, because that's all it happened, right? I for some reason, it kept the stuff on the upside, right? And the chart on the graph, and the stuff on the indicators got deleted. So that's how I can tell, because it's unmatched to things here on the bottom. So from here to here, it also been that move, and then here short term, right? Here very, very short term. You know, you'll see this in a second. We're going from here to here, and from here to here, right? So strong bullish divergence there for potential action to the upside, right? Getting above that 20, finding support, trying to bounce high, low, positive, negative, high, low, neutral at 56.70. And that's it for AVE, right? On the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour AVE. Look at the 1-hour AVE, right? We had this strong bullish divergence here for action to the upside, and we've been moving up since then. So great. Up, down, fell to drop lower than the previous low, right? Or about the same low. And pumping again. Awesome, dude. High, higher, high, positive, more positive. High on the other side to a higher point, right? Everything here is good long term, except on this last bit here. And it's just from here to here on the 1-hour, right? And it's just this tiny bit that could be that movement to the downside, and it's from here to here, right? So we have strong bearish divergence right now being developed on the last bit for AVE. But if it pumps a little bit more, it could shake it off. It's not going to take a lot, right? This is 1.449 on the MACD, and this is 0.934. So it's very, very close to getting rid of that. Bob Mo says, Bob Mo, thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
You said that it'll test 38K tonight? Interesting. We'll see. Crypto World's in the house. Thank you for being here, man. Love you some AVE. Awesome, dude. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep on going with this, right? Up next, UTK. Why not? Did we do UTK yesterday? Before I go to UTK, I actually want to look at Ethereum and see where it's at right now. Bitcoin, 36,708. Great. Still pulling back a little bit. And Ethereum, 1,560. What? Yes. Great. So, all-time highs, right? Great. Ethereum still making all-time highs. Ethereum taking off? Yeah, dude. Did you have your ticket for this rocket ride that we're in? I hope you did buy it. Guess it's doing good, man. Let's go to UTK, man, and see what's going on there. Lego Ether. What? Coin Fitzgerald, I didn't get that. Lego Ether. Yo, by the way, someone hooked me up with it it was Montero that hooked me up with an awesome tip the other day on Ethereum, dude. It was like a quarter of an Ethereum. That's gonna be worth a lot more right now. That's pretty cool, man. I'm actually excited for that. Let's get Ethereum to 2K, man. That's gonna be good. But does it look like it'll dupe anytime soon? Yeah, it does have some bearish divergence. So there's a possibility it could try to move down. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI on the 1-hour. And the 4-hour is clear. And the daily has also that bearish divergence, right? Look to there. Strong bearish divergence. Again, new islands starting to be built. So we could try to shake it off. But on the 1-hour is where I'm a little bit more worried. We had it here, moved sideways, and still bullishly enough to try to pump up a little bit more. So again, right, we have that strong bearish divergence. So you can start to put some pressure on the price to move down, right? Thank you for that. STMX, sure, man. We're going to look at that on the next block. Right now it's UTK, 88 GRT, STMX, Cosmos, and Hive, right? I'm going to do those 6 now. And then we'll come back to this things, right? Pre-record stim, cap them. Cap it out, cap them. Yeah, very pre-recorded, man. Let's go to UTK, man. Is that the last one we did? No, we haven't done anything. I did do this thing. Ah, here it is. I couldn't find it. There we go. Let's check out the UTK, right? We're looking for bearish divergence here. We said it might not play out because we were bullish, and that's fine. Now we still have this strong bearish divergence. I'll just anchor from back here, right? One island to the next, and then from high to low on the RSI, right? So it's all good. Still there, strong bearish divergence, potential for actually the downside. Yay! Again, where would a movement down take us? Right now, the primary target for this project would be the 20 moving average. And that right now is sitting at 2303. Right now we're sitting at 31. So it's quite a drop if it's going to move down, right? Yo, Jeffrey, thank you for that, man. Really appreciate that, dude. So let's keep rolling. UTK, let's do this one, right? Bearish divergence, potential action to downside against the MACD. For some reason, it shifted up. Let's put it here, man. There we go. Here it is. Right. Then for this in the daily, strong bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Bearish divergence moving down. Why is it not matched with anything? Remember, I told you didn't save some of the charts because they were full. Right? It tells me I had to delete stuff. I forgot to delete last night before I went to bed. And yeah. That's why a lot of stuff got deleted. Mainly on the oscillators, which is good because then at least with this I remember what we called yesterday. So we had bearish divergence. Actually downside went down, hit that 20 and taking a new pop. So high higher, positive more positive, high on the other side to higher point. Even short term, high higher, positive more positive, high higher. Right now we're bought at 1.43. Nothing bearish. I do believe here we're gonna have some bearish on the 1 hour. That could be why we're getting this new red candle. But we only gonna know until we go there. So let's get there, man. Yep. See. Bearish divergence, right? So from here to here. I'm gonna call this large one first, this long bearish divergence. This is gonna be the cleanest one right now. High to low, right? We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And here in the short term, I was looking at this move here, right? So from here to here. This one should have actually just anchored it there. And this would have been divergence from here to here, right? Higher. Or high to low. Yeah. Put in from here, low to high. This is what I was looking at here. Low to high. And then we probably also had a line that was going like this because I'm seeing stuff that doesn't match with other stuff. So this might be from the daily or the 4 hour actually. Send it to the 4 hour. Anyways, bearish divergence, strong standard built to be built. Guess we're gonna keep it. This one that we were looking at yesterday. Look at that, you would have kept on tracking, it would have gone there. This would just track down to there. And this here also, right, would have tracked on from here to here. So strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside, and in that, we moved down, right? We moved down on that, so that's pretty good. Sorry, I'm trying to like get this to do something in this. There we go. So right now, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside, started to move down, right? Like I said, this candle is from that divergence. Great. As UTK, let's go to ADA, man. A lot of ADA people in the house, so let's check it out. May, what's that? Cat out of the box? What? Chill with cat? Sure. I don't understand that emoji. Let's go to ADA, man. Alec Ortega, thank you for being here. The fact that we have strong bearish divergence or bullish divergence. I'll do something on divergences. I'll just show you real quick. Join us on Discord there. I put some stuff up there. I'll show you this real quick. Where do I have it? resources, I think. I'll just show this real quick. And again, it's in the Discord, right? But there's types of divergences, right? Strong, medium, weak, and the hidden, right? For strong bullish or strong bearish, you would have to go from low to high in the price. And then your oscillator go from high to low, right? And I already explained divergence a lot in detail in other videos. So low to high, high to low, strong bearish divergence. Just go check out the Discord, man. Information's there. I'll do something on divergences. I'm just not gonna do it right now. It takes time to explain. Might do some short video, right? Let's keep rolling. ADA. 43 cents, man. ADA doing good, dude. So you guys are happier, I bet. So we did get to a high of 47, pull back down. Right now, still staying above that 236, which is really good. Came down and actually hit support at 40.71. Lowest point we got was 40.79, so very, very close to our support. Bouncing. Again, this bearish divergence that we're looking at here, we still have it, right? And I'll even do it from here, and I'll be kind to the project because we actually have to anchor back here, but this will suffice for now. And that is on the daily. There we go, man. And then we'll be going from here to here as well, right? So strong bearish divergence starting to build. Bought at 67.67. It really needs to pump a lot to shake off this divergence. It needs to pump to whatever this number here is. 0.0153, and we're at 0.0037, so it really needs a lot of strength. It needs to get very, very much higher for that to get rid of. And also here against the RSI, we'll be actually anchoring to the high right here. But right now, I'll leave it here. That way we're not going over a lot of data, and it makes it a little bit cleaner on the chart. But that's what we're looking at, right? Some strong bearish divergence for potential actually a downside target right now. 236 will be the primary support. If we break 40.71, and then if we break there, we'll probably try to find support at 37.02. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah. Yep. Thanks, man. Dorvalis, what's up, dude? High, higher, high, positive, positive, high, higher, right? Short term here, let's see, 80 and 79. So, okay, here I'm going to go high to low. It's just very slight, but it's there. I just seen it. And then here we're going low to high, right? So strong bearish divergence, pull back down again, trying to find support at 40. That's great. Right now, neutral at 43. Great. Awesome, dude. Neutral at, sorry, bought at 68.33. Again, bearish divergence, nothing bullish right now. So let's go to the 1 hour chart here. On the 1 hour chart, we have bearish divergence here. That's pretty good. Positive, less positive, and then high to low. So strong bearish divergence, action to downside, move down, hit support, finding support again, and trying to pump. So high, low, positive, less positive, right? Every time here that we're coming lower, right? We're going from positive to negative and lower. So nothing here that it's bearish, but we also have some hit bullish. And I'm just going to call this one right now from here to here. And I'll show you how this hidden bullish played out because it actually bounced. We bounced off this 2 times. So the first time would have been to here, right? Low to high, and then a negative, more negative. So we took that bounce, rejected, right? And then this would have just anchored to here, right? And then more divergence, and then taking that pump, right? Again, on that hidden bullish. And we're trying to get above the 20, but we're really failing to go higher than the previous high. And we'll see how this keeps on consolidating around this level, and see if we can find some support before it actually pumps up again on ADA. But ADA playing really good. A lot of people are happy. Let's go to GRT, man. The graph. A lot of people like the girth, right? The girth. Let's go check it out. Let's go on the daily. We're looking for bearish divergence. That's fine. We did pull back. That's great, man, right? We had it here. We had it here. Not against the RSI. That's fine. Bought at 65.73. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Right, low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, nothing bearish. Going down, hidden bullish. Hidden bullish on the graph. The graph, McGraph. There we go, man. Look from here to here. Even from back here, but I'll just go with this one here. Great. Here, I think we did this one yesterday. Maybe, I'm not sure. Might have missed this divergence here. Just noticing it right now. But from here to here. Strong bullish. Now hidden bullish. For potential bounce. Let's see if we can manage to reclaim this 20, because right now we're breaking below it, and we're below the previous high at 76 cents. Again, really need the graph to get above this area, find support and bounce. Let's see if we're doing some kind of consolidation. It looks like we're flagging actually right now, and I'm not liking the flag very much, but it's still a good flag. It's nice and downsloping, right? And that's what matters. It's downsloping consolidation. That usually tends to break to the upside. What?
Looks like Dash is starting to wake up. Hopefully I can hit $1,600 again.
Codename Shatter! Thank you very much, dude. Legendary tip, dude.
Thank you,
man.
very much.
I really appreciate that. And hi, Porn, for the $5, man. Thank you so much for that, man. Really, really appreciate that, dude. Let's keep rolling. Again, I'm just anchoring this flag here. I'll do, Dash right after this. I'm not liking this, because if I go with that, we're doing a Browning wedge. So I'm not liking, that's what I'm saying. I'm not liking the flag very much. If I use the wicks, I don't think it's going to make that much of a change. So we'll go like that, and then it's just going to be downsloping, but still slightly broadening, I guess. So just downsloping channel. That's good. We need to wait for a breakout, right? Again, it has hidden bullish. It could try to move back up, but it needs to get above its previous 100%, which was here at 76.12. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had hit a strong bullish divergence. Although you cannot see it, it was here, and we called it. Again, I lost some of the data yesterday, so strong bearish, move down. Then we created this hidden bullish here. Right, look, negative, more negative, right? It's going higher. Also more negative here on the RSI, right? So hidden bullish, took that pop, hit the 20, rejected. Then we created strong bullish, and that's from here to here. And with that, we started to get that nice pump. We didn't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. High, low, positive, high, low against the RSI, so that's great. We reverted a little bit, that's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Neutral at 46.59. Last thing we have is this strong bullish. Let's see if we can still manage to get a rally on that. Again, below the 20 on the 1 hour. The best place to be. We have two resistances overhead, right? The previous 100%. That's 76. 76.04 or whatever it is. And then the 20 moving average at 76.23. So double resistance. That's it for the graph. Let's go to Dash. Crypto World says cow emoji. I think Crypto World wants a steak. Ethereum sailing. We'll go back to Ethereum in a second. Let's go Dash on the daily, man. Last thing we had for Dash, hidden bullish, pumping on that, getting above that 50%, getting above the 20 moving average, which is really good. We rejected it yesterday. Right now we're getting above it. Let's see if we can sustain that movement. We don't have anything bearish. So again, Dash, bullish at $113.39. Let's go to the 4 hour. Ethereum hit a high again. I'm going to go back to it in a second, right? The last thing we had here was this medium bullish divergence or strong bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite we pumped right now, high, higher, high. We're going from high to low, right? Positive, less positive. So strong bearish divergence, developing against MACD, but not against the RSI. That could put some resistance on price and start to see potential extra downside. If we move down, target would be the 50, right? The 50 fib node on the RSI, on the fib nodes on the Fibonacci, dude. The RSI, dude. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
It's gonna be the 50% retrace on the fibs Potential target to the downside. If we break there, we have the 20 to look forward to at 105. But again, nothing else that is bullish. We still have this strong bullish, right? Low, lower, negative, less negative, right? So strong bullish, pumping on that. Strong bearish. Let's see if it's gonna do some damage. If we still pump a little bit more, we could shake this off. It's really not that hard. This is at 1.37 and this is at 0.95. So smaller pump, and we could try to shake this off, but pretty cool for Dash. Let's go to the 1 hour Dash. And here, that's where I started to get worried, because now we're starting to create strong bearish divergence on this last bit. Right here. That's actually the first thing I noticed when we looked into this chart, because it just happens to be that it was open on the 1 hour, and I was looking at that huge gap there. Here on the other side, we're fine. We're going, sorry, the MACD, we're fine. We're going slightly higher. And back here, let's see, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. So nothing bullish here, really. Back here, we had some strong bullish. I'm going to go over probably an island or something, but it's there, man. All right, so strong bullish. Action to the upside, right? And that's what's getting us to go higher. Like I said, nothing bearish here, right? Maybe here? Let's zoom in here. Yeah, here we definitely have some bearish divergence. High to low. And also here, definitely going higher. So strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. That's the last thing that Dash has. There's a possibility that it might try to move down in the 1 hour. The good thing here on the 1 hour is that you have double support, right? Look at where the 20 moving average is at. It's at about 108.79, and that's almost where our 50 Fibonacci retrace is at, right? It's at 108.71. So double support, and it could try to get us to bounce, maybe create some hidden bullish on a drop like that, and finding a support, double support, and bounce there, right? So the movement down, that would be it for Dash. If it still wants to go bullish and run, it has a really high move to do. It has to get to 125.02. Let's see if we can manage to do that, right? Goddamn chatter. Thank you very much for the 5 buckaroos, man. And let's keep rolling. STMX. All right, so I guess the question here was if it's too late to jump on the boat. Look, it's pumped insanely high. You get a lot of retrace, right? It's pumping again insanely high. It's getting a lot of retrace. You know, recap if you could. Sure, man. Sure, man. You knew what already did, so yeah, I'll do it on recap. I was gonna recap after Hive. We'll see, right? I might recap earlier, who knows? Because we just got another coin, so maybe I recap after Adam and then do Hive after we come back from the recap. So the question is if it's too late to jump into the party wagon. Look, this train already left the station. You can jump on it, maybe make some profits. You're not going to make as much profits as you would have gotten down here at the 3-cent mark. Or that's at 6 cents, so it's 100% higher. So it's it's a tough call, actually, if it's too late to jump in. I'm not sure how long it's going to keep on having this bullish momentum. I could tell you're buying at a premium, though, right? Would have been much better to buy earlier. Some people jump onto moving trains, and that's fine. Bitcoin recap, yeah, man. Bitcoin recap also. Like, I always recap Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever's moving a lot, right? So we'll check it out in a second. Something general. Someone pinged me, I guess. So on Teramit, right? Great. All right. So Swoogie sent me the chart for XLM, and we'll check it out in on the recap, right? Cup and handle. I'll put cup and handle. So I'll go back and check that. Right on, dude. Let's keep rolling with this. PWK, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. Guys, again, if you like what we do, hit like the bell and the sub. Join us in Discord. Links in the description. We do have a very active community. A lot of people in the Discord. And yeah, you can also engage me there. KoiCon Lao, what's Ethereum next target? Yeah, we'll check it out. Let's do STMX. Again, going super high. So overbought at 84.89 for our chart. High higher, positive more positive, high higher. Not really looking at anything here that is super bearish. Last thing we even have here, it's hidden bullish, and you know, it just took off. It just went insane, right? Look, it's almost vertical. I probably wouldn't get into it, me personally, but it's entirely up to you what you want to do with this. Because for me, this already left, right? This is already going, dude. It's just, I'm not sure if it's going to keep on pumping, if it's going to crash down on pullback because it just pumps so hard. I'm not familiar with the project. So for me, seeing this is like, I missed that train, right? I would have loved to probably have gotten in here, right? Back here, maybe down here. But getting in right now, high risk. There's a risk that it might go down, right? So for me, it's not my cup of tea. And for me, it would seem, or it would feel as if I was chasing this project to try to get in before it actually took off again, instead of having a proper setup to enter, right? And have a proper exit strategy. So you're going to jump in here in the hopes that it's going to go where? That'll be my question, right? Where do you think this is going to go? So if you believe that this is going to keep on pumping, you might want to jump in, but like, what's your exit target, right? Where are you going to be exiting this project? So again, the questions that you need to know before you actually enter a position, right? Like how much profit are you going to be able to take here? Do you want to take a 5% profit, a 10, 20% profit here? You know, let's say it would just recover to its previous high here at 7, dude, right? And we're here, and you would take a 16% profit. Would that be good for you? You know, I'm not sure if it's going to pump or not. It's not creating anything bullish right now. If anything, just has a strong bearish divergence for actually the downside. And with that, again, moving down. So we don't even know where we're going to bounce. Does this thing even have support here ever? At current price? Maybe. I'm going to have to actually go on the daily to see if we ever made support here, man. Nope, we're making all-time highs, right? So like, we don't even know where we're going to find support here because there's not a lot of data and it just went vertical. So, I mean, could there be some support here? Maybe we could try to hit support at 0051, right? 0.5 cents, maybe, you know. Again, it's just gone so much higher, right? So for me, again, for me, I wouldn't do it. But if you guys like that project, you guys can go into it. Adam, I like Adam because we found something really cool on it yesterday. I want to see how it's doing at $8.89. And I'm on the daily. Hidden bullish, pumping, holding support at this previous 100%, right? Our previous high that we're using as 100%. That's here, 8.82 or so. We haven't created anything bearish. Neutral at 59.47. So nothing bearish right now. That's a good thing. Let's go to the 4-hour, right? Look, we had this potential double bottom. 1, 2. Confirmation line, right? Breaking above there. Remember we had the bearish divergence yesterday? Here, we talked about it. This one did say because it was the second coin that we looked at yesterday because we got tipped really early on. So, actually the downside, right? And we held support at the confirmation line, above the confirmation line, which is really good. Again, we talked about the movement down, trying to find support. So that's good. I like what it's doing. Neutral at 58.41. Again, target for this and the movement up would be here around $11.08, which again would be really good for Adam on a breakout to the upside, right? If it decides that we're doing this, and you can even interpret this as a bull pull and a bull flag being formed here, which again kind of complements the whole bullish sentiment that we're seeing. And that note, I'm going to go to the 1 hour. Right, on the 1 hour, I don't think we had anything bearish. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's the hard point. I don't think we have anything bullish right now either. High, low, positive, high, low. High, low. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. It's just consolidating. And that's enough for me right now. It's still above 8.83, which is its previous 100%. Breaking below 20. So again, we're just getting consolidation. Let's hope that this can hold on to support here and see if we can get another explosive move happening here. On that note, that's it for Adam. Let's go check out Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin 36,666. What? It's getting the pullback from the bearish divergence. Oh no, it's there. We talked about it. About to close the candle in 8 minutes. And let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum also getting some pullback. Did it make new all-time high? Yep. 1563.99. Great. There we go. All right, so bearish divergence. I could be looking for a move down, although it's going really nice for Ethereum, right? Can I do fee retrace on Bitcoin? Yeah, we already have fee retrace for Bitcoin. Right, look, from low to high, and this is on the 1 hour. That's why it's not matching too close here. We're getting above that 236, and we're on our way back to almost hit the 100%, so that's fine. If you want me to do something shorter on the fibs we have here from high to low again, also on the 1 hour, and we're doing a retrace, getting above that 50% and heading for the 618 at 37,190, which is very close to have this resistance here at 37,393. So, you know, and we had this resistance for a while, right? I mean, probably before I did the fibs, and it just happens to match with some fibs, which is pretty cool. Mon Rambo, thanks for being here, man. Yeah, well, thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
Julianne Carrots in the house. Thanks for being here, man. We only have Hive up next. I don't think I have anything else queued after Hive, so making bank. Yo, what's up, Default Flags? Thanks for being here. I'm gonna get myself more water. I'm gonna be right back. Please stick with me through this small intermission. Put up your requests. We still have room for requests. 290 people in the house. Dudes, thank y'all for being here. At some point in time, we even had 300 in exchange. But thank y'all for being here. If you like what we do and you're enjoying the channel, hit the like button, sub. Again, we're building an awesome community here. EOS? Sure, we'll put EOS in there. Shredhead, sure, man. Just follow the small format that we have here. And it says, add this to the crypto and then just ask a question. I think we already did SNX.
Caught my interest recently. A couple newer upcoming exchanges using it to power ETH transactions. Know anything about it and mind a quick TA?
Yo, sure, man. We'll do that after, before Hive. Thank you, Jeffrey, for the awesome $5, dude. Let's give you Deadpool. A legendary, bro.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much. Elvis.
Thank you very much.
And I'll tell you what, man.
The dude abides.
The dude abides, man. Well, check it out. Making sure I'm not missing anything here, dude. CGLD. Someone was saying that I should get the dude abides yesterday, so we got it, right? I'm just writing down the new coins that's coming up, right? CGLD. Again, guys, if you have any requests, the format's right here below. When I speak, it highlights itself. It says TA, add this to the crypto, and then the asset that you want. That's how I know what's being queued. Bruno M. Garcia. Dude, yes, I can check out Forex if you want. That's no problem. It's just basically the same thing. Same technical supply. Fall Flag says, I look like the dude, but younger. Yeah. Anyways, let me queue up these coins. Matic eating up the queue here. Hive, yes. And sea gold. BTT. Yeah. Did that like coin die? But yeah, we'll check it out, dude. Todd, what?
As always, appreciate all you do. Would you please check out near/USDT after the intermission?
Yeah, bro, for sure, man. I'll also give you Deadpool legendary, bro.
Say it with me.
Legendary, dude.
Challenge accepted.
We'll do it right after the intermission, dude, for sure, right? But first, it's gonna be Matic because that's the first tip that came through with something attached to it. Go get that water, man. I know. Give me a second. I'm still writing down the requests, man. Soul. Great, man. I'm trying to make sure I'm not missing anyone's request that came in. XVG, sorry, that was before that. So XVG and then Soul. Soul, yeah, it's already there, man. I already wrote it, so yeah. Bruno M. Garcia, dude, I'm using TradingView, so you can go check it out. It's a free website. You can look at charts there, man. All right. So I'm going to update the list real quick. BTT, XVG. And Soul. And Dodge, I guess. So not Dodge got requested. Great, man. Right. Room for 2 more coins only, right? So coin 29 and 30. I'm gonna go get water real quick. I'll be right back. So if 2 more coins come queued, that's gonna be it, right? The next 2 coins I get queued is just what we're gonna look at. You knew what we already did, so it's gonna be a recap. I gotta do Hive. So we're gonna do recaps, and then I'll do the coins that got requested first, and then we'll recap. So the coins that got requested with tips. Be right back. I'm back. Thank you all for sticking with me through that small intermission. I just want to check here real quick that I didn't miss any requests when I went for the water. So the last one that came with that tag at me was Dosh. So yep. Yeah, that's it. Awesome. So again, 2 more spots for coins, right? Am I able to drink the tap water? I don't drink tap water. I filter it. But anyways, let's go Matic, near, and then recap. And then we'll go through the coins that are being requested. So cool. Again, guys, if you need me to do an asset, there's only 2 coins left. And the format's right there, right? Add the state of crypto, and then the coin that you want me to look at. So that's gonna be it. Matic. That's cool. Printed 4 million. Somatic, hidden resistance at the previous 100%. We had the bearish divergence, moved down. Got very close to that 20. But still rejecting its previous high of 100% that we had here on the chart. And that is here at 4. What is this? 4.14. That's what I'm going to call it right now. Right now we're sitting at 4.10, so very, very close to that area again, right? Cool. CVT and AVAX, I think, take the last 2 spots. The cons got filled, bro. Felipe. So yeah, last I had 2 spots and 2 people tagged me before you, so sorry about that, man. Like after 30 coins that I queue up, the only way that coins get queued or get on the list, it's if like they come accompanied with a tip, right? I do try to accommodate 30 free coins, or besides what I usually look at the beginning, so around 24 coins that I take from requests, either on the Discord or on the stream. But after that, man, like after going from 30 coins, you know, my mind's a little bit fried. So by then, like, you know, if anyone wants extra coins, like the tips are appreciated for them then, right? So, I mean, I don't like to ask for tips, but I do 30 coins for free, man. And then after that, you know, like if they come with a tip, I'll do them, but yeah. Let's go do Matic. Bearish divergence again, like I said, trying to pump, rejecting its high. Bought at 61.59. Let's go to the 4 hour. High low, positive, positive, high low. Nothing here. That is bearish right now. Low, lower, negative. Are we doing less negative? Yes, some strong bullish divergence we created here on Matic, which is what we're getting that action to the upside. And that is pretty cool, man. May drop EOS for VT? Sure. All right, I'll change that, right? So we're going to do VT. MA was kind enough to drop her request to accommodate VT. There we go. So we have that bullish divergence, strong for action to the upside. We're pumping in that, which is really good. Now we don't have anything bearish. I don't think we do have anything bearish. Low, high, high, low. Maybe some hidden bearish. And that could start to put some pressure on the price to go down slightly, right? From here to here. And it's very slight though, but it's this is 57.05 and this is 57.60, but it's very slightly higher. With that, we'll be creating that hidden bearish potential action downside. We're starting to put that pressure. Let's see if we can manage to hold. XRP we'll do on a recap because we already did that one, so great. Some dude on Twitch put a smiley dude with a thumbs up. Hi, thank you for being here. High, low, positives, positive, high, low. I mean, here, I'm not looking at anything bearish. So, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish. Oh, dude. What? 0021. 0021. Great. This is sideways motion here on the oscillator. Right, our price is coming lower, so we have weak bullish divergence here on Matic. Let's not go this in the 1 hour. This one also in the 1 hour. There we go. So weak bullish divergence. Section of the opposite. We pumped, felt the drop lower in the previous low. That's fine. We continued bullish. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. That's great. High, low, positive. Everything here is good. Now we're taking this new pump, and now on this last bit, we're creating some strong bearish divergence, right, on Matic, for potential action to the downside, right? And I'm gonna actually go back and look at something that I might have forgotten here on the 1 hour chart, but had a low, right? Again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Looks like we might have created some hidden bullish here also, right, from here to here. And that's why we got the continuation happening here, right? So negative, more negative. So there we go. That looks good. So right now we're looking a little bit bearish, right? We could get action to the downside. That would have us targeting the 20 moving average at 4.03. We're sitting at 4.15, so it's not really far off. I want to look at the fibs. I'm going to send them over also to the 1 hour and the 4 hour, because they're not there, and I want to check them out again to see if we have targets there. Also in the 4 hour, that hidden bearish divergence again. Look right at the previous high, right, or very, very close to it. And we're opening and we're rejecting. So we try to go higher. We have the hidden bearish. It's moving us down. Also, a target would be 3.92, right, on the 4 hour. But that would mean we have to break the support here at 403 on the 1 hour chart, right? So right now, bought at 60.67. Again, look at that. Hit that area twice, rejected, moving down, trying to recover a little bit right now. But that's going to be it for Matic, right? I mean, I'm not seeing anything else. I don't think I'm missing anything else, right? Still looks good. Moving down might not even do it that bad if it manages to find support at the 20 and pump again. So it's going to be it for Matic, man. Thank you, Jeffrey, for the awesome donation for Matic, man. Up next, Todd with Near. Let's go check out Near and Far. Near, there we go, man. Yeah, no worries, Jeffrey. Thank you very much for the awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate that. So Near, we had bearish divergence. We moved down, created that hidden bullish, taking that pop, and also same thing, right? Hitting that 100%. Rejecting. So we don't have anything bearish happening here after that. We still have the hidden bullish. We felt to get higher than the previous high. With that, we could be looking for action to the downside. Maybe targeting that 20 at 2.28. Music stop. Let's play this. And let's see where we're going to go, man, right? Anyways, guys, again, if you all like what we do,
What's up?
hit like the bell and sub. Right now, bought at 60 on the dot. So, yeah, that's that for Near on the 4 hour. Let's go here. On the 4 hour, on the daily. On the 4 hour, we can see that we're just channeling, right? We've just been moving within this area, and most of the moves have been contained within the 100% at $2.49, and this fib node here at the 786 at 207. So most of the moves are contained there. We had that bullish divergence strong for action to the upside. We moved up, managed to hold support here at the 786 before we actually rallied again. And again, look at that, very, very close, right? Hitting this high and rejecting it. Now, here I'm looking at this and I'm noticing that we created some strong bullish divergence against the it's just very slight though, but it's here. It's against the RSI, right? So that bullish divergence, it's strong, sorry, not hidden. Strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside, so a little high, right? I deleted that because I sent it to the 1 hour, that's why. So this should be in the 4 hour. There we go. Here we go. So we have this strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. Retain that pump, high, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher point. Then from back here, right, high, low, then positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher point, right? We're creating hidden bearish divergence over this larger move, right? And we're hitting it as we're getting to this resistance. So we have hidden bearish divergence at a resistance that could give us the possibility for a rejection, right? And that is precisely what's happening. That's why we rejected that area, because we have this bearish divergence, right? This hidden bearish divergence. And we're moving down. So for our chart, hidden bearish divergence. Let's go check out Cash. What's up? Thanks for being here, man. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we're looking for, this is from the 4 hour, so let's get rid of this. What do we have here last? Look, we had a potential double bottom, right? False breakout twice. We knew the target for this double bottom would have been around 30%, so we know we haven't hit it yet. And we're starting to climb, but I'm not sure this double bottom's playing out as it was supposed to, right? Because we've been wicked twice lower, so. Low, high, positive, less positive, right? Look at this massive move here, from here to here. On the 1 hour chart, right? We're definitely going much higher on the price, and you might already know what I'm going to call here. So we do have some strong bearish divergence from here to here. Well, first to here, right? That would be the same as going to here, and then it's just the same thing, right? It will just be a straight line. I'm just going to do it in small parts. So from here to here and from here to here, and here's the exact same thing, right? So from here all the way to there. Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside, we moved down, hit that 20, bounced. Moving down, try to rally, but failing to get higher than the previous high, and now we're dropping more. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Nothing here, not even hidden bullish. Maybe here on this last bit, some hidden bullish for this very last pump. But, you know, it didn't get higher than the previous high, and when we don't get higher than the previous high, we move back down again. So right now, there is some bearish divergence at play for near, right? So again, I thank y'all for being here, and join us on the Discord. Hit like the bell on the sub, right? Dynamic Motorsport Experience. What is up, man? Thank you for being here. That is Matic. That is Near. Thank you, Todd, for the awesome donation, dude. I hope you like the TA, and if you need something else, let me know. And you know, if you want me to explain something else here or check something else out, I'll definitely do it, man. I really appreciate that. Just upon closer look here, right? On a second look, as I was about to like leave the chart, I'm noticing this move, right? And this is all positive momentum. So we have this hidden bullish right now, and probably why we're trying to hold and get above that 20 again. Let's see if we can manage to do that, right? If we fell at the 20, we could be looking for another moving down. If we manage to get above the 20, we could be trying to pump again. And if we fail to get higher in the previous height, then we know that we're going to be making a triangle, right? By going like this. Right? We could hit that area and reject, and then we could be going from here to there, right? And make a symmetrical triangle that could break the way. So that's what we're looking at. So that's it for Near. Let's go recap. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's see where they're at. Hodl Ethereum, yeah. Bitcoin still pulling back, even moving negative right now on the bearish divergence. Like we said, there's a potential for actually the downside. Let's see if that's going to manifest. Bought at 70.92. Let's go to Ethereum. Again, nothing new, right? Slightly higher, again, to here. Still have that bearish divergence, rejecting slightly, but still at 1,500 and 49 right now. Right? I don't think we can complain about that, considering that Ethereum was not above 1,500 yesterday, right? Do I think Ethereum is going to break down to 1,400? I mean, yeah, there's a chance, right? We don't have a lot of support at this area. I'm looking here for areas where we could try to find support. And I want to draw a line here and say that we could try to find some support here on Ethereum. I'll try to find some support here, maybe around this area at 1,514, but we never tested it, right? So it could be some support there before I actually hit that 20. And if we fell at the 20, then we're probably gonna have support here at 1,420 before we actually break below. Right. So there are some supports to the downside we could be looking at. So let me keep on rolling now. XRP, because someone requested it for recap. So XRP at 38.60. Again, it has some bearish divergence hidden. hidden bearish divergence against RSI. Potential fraction of downside, moving down, hitting that 20. Again, sideways motion, tightening on the Bollinger Bands. We could get an explosive move when volatility comes back in, but right now it's not looking too hot for XRP because it's just doing that, nothing. So XLM also XLM recap. XLM at 34, right? And here, the only reason that we're recapping this is because someone on the Discord earlier hooked us up with a chart and said it's doing a cup and handle. So right, this is what I got sent on the Discord, right? So they're saying this is a cup and this is a handle. That could work as a cup and handle over that large time frame, right? I'm gonna go to cleaner Ethereum chart so we can look at this as it's being drawn for us, but it's something like this. And then this becomes a handle, but I mean, it could work. I mean, I don't think it looks textbook cup and handle. I mean, it's there. It's not the cleanest looking or the best looking one, but you know, it's fine. If you guys want to play that this is a cup and handle, that's fine. I mean, I'm not gonna argue against it. I just don't like the way it looks, right? So for XLM, let's go to Uni. Right, Uni, what do we have on the 1 hour, man? We didn't have anything. We weren't creating anything. We had some bearish divergence. Why is it not here? Did we not look? I'm still in XLM, dude. And the other charts, so that's why. Uni, here we go, man. I was like, why wouldn't we have anything? Last thing we had was this bullish divergence fraction of the app, so we're pumping slightly on that. And see how low positive was positive. All right, just on this last bit here, right? Some hidden divergence from here to here, and let me see if we can get this to show. It is on the 1 hour, great. And from here, it's just very tiny though, but some hidden bearish divergence fraction of the downside. Neutral at 48.86. Dude, again, that hidden bearish. Again, holding support at the 20. We have strong bullish. Usually Trump's hidden bearish. That could have been the move, right? The 20 and then bounce. We'll see though. That's it for Roberto Moran. Sure, we just did a stellar and a quick recap, man, right? On that note, let's move on to Hive. Thoughts on Aave? I'm not even sure if we did Aave tonight. Yeah, we did. You're gonna have to wait for a recap, man. Next round of recaps is gonna be after I guess let me see, Voyager or whatever. STMX we already did, so we're just gonna recap that again later on, I guess. So it's gonna be for the next round of recaps. Yeah, no worries, man. Right, let me keep it wrong. Hive. I've never looked at this product before. I guess this is gonna be this one on Uniswap. Let's go on the daily, figure out what this is doing. Dude, nothing on the daily to look at, right? I mean, we don't have literally anything to look at. For some reason, I don't have volume up here. Why does it keep taking volume down here, man? That's insane. Sometimes it's just very rare that I draw divergence against volume, but sometimes it plays out, right? I love what's positive. Nothing here. Let's go to the 4 hour. The only thing we can do here is fib this, right? And I think I'm gonna do that. So let's get some fibs here on the daily real quick. So I'll take this as I'm gonna go to the first block, or nah, maybe I should consider this. Hello, we're retracing, hitting that 236 and rejecting right now. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, style. Yep, it has everything. Great. So what I can see here on the 4 hour is this strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside on Hive. All right, and visibility here. And same here on Ethereum, right? I'm right here. Sorry, on the MACD and the RSI. There we go. So with that action, the upside starting to pump a little bit, high, low. Right, or sorry, here positive, less positive. There we go, man. Here we're looking at the low to high, right? So bearish divergence, strong potential action to downside against the MACD, not against the RSI. Overbought at 74. That's that for this, right? But that's where we're hitting resistance at the 36 probably. So we have strong bearish divergence, and that might move us down, right? Mike Rodriguez says, OMG, I'm not sure, man. Right, so here on this last move, again, not the cleanest chart because of all the gaps it has. Does mean it doesn't have the best volume for trading, or the exchange is not reporting properly. And looking at the volume that gets traded, I would incline more for the first one. It just drops dramatically, so it could be areas where it's really just not moving. And here we're overbought, but again, strong bearish divergence for extra downside. We're having a near resistance. It could be the possibility that we move down, right? The false flags rewind, what? What? Dude, it's so crazy. I'm not sure what's happening. Hive, let's go to VT. Yeah. Yeah, it's true, Carthigo, and they also don't have a lot of access to more liquidity as well, right? So it's just people that are pumping it, and when they run out of capital, or they have their capital tied up in something else, the stuff's gonna go rolling downhill, right? So I anchored here first. We have strong bearish divergence for the 1 hour. Yeah, that's where I landed. Last thing we had was this bearish divergence, moved down slightly, pumped. Hidden bearish, right? We had the strong bullish back here or something. That's great. So pumping again right now, creating this bearish divergence above 28 cents, or sorry, 2.8 cents, which is our what's our resistance. We managed to get above it, and now we're just flirting up on this area, which is fine. Again, right now bought at 63.41. Let's go to the 4 hour chart and see what we have here. We had strong bullish divergence. We pumped on that again, consolidating this level. We were flagging, right? And the flag would have looked like this. Right, falling wedge, breaking to the upside. That's great. We're moving up. Now we are creating some strong bearish divergence on this light move. So high, higher high. Anchor this in the 4 hour only. And high to low, right? And also high to low. So strong bullish. Now we have strong bearish, and that is just being developed, right? So we could still pump a little bit more, and then still have strong bearish. So can't wait for this to develop more before actually just see whether that's going to play out. All right, so we're going to change this to blue. That way we know this is our pattern, and we're breaking to the upside. So very nice, getting in and holding support at 28.51, even hitting the breakout point and pumping back up. So great. Neutral at 59.3. Let's go to the daily. On daily, we had this hidden bullish, and we're pumping on that high-low, positive, less positive, high-low. Neutral 54.77. So we don't have a lot happening on VT. It's pumping. It's good. It's getting above that 2.8 cent mark, sitting right now at 2.99. But you know, we are creating this bearish divergence here. So we're gonna wait for it to develop, or see if it's gonna trigger a strong bearish on the 4 hour and strong bearish on the 1 hour. And on the 1 hour, it's gonna take a lot more strength to shake it off. So on that note, bearish divergence for VeChain, right? A possibility that it might go down. All right, so let's go to see gold. $2.94. We didn't have anything on the daily except for this bearish divergence back here. Whenever we last looked at this and moving down, hitting support at the 50%, trying to hold on to it. That's fine. Low, high. Low, high. Nothing bullish, I guess. Let me see back here, though. All right, some hidden bullish from way back here. Right, there we are. And, sorry, I switched to the 4 hour, man. I want to use the drawing tool and then low to high, right? So hidden bullish. Stalling and holding support at the 50% retrace, which is fine. Bought at 62.15 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. In the 4 hour, we created some strong bearish divergence here. We just haven't looked at this project in a while. Hello, and also had a low here. So there is strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside, holding support again nicely. Low, high, negative, more negative. Nope, less negative. So right. So from here to here, we had some hidden bullish divergence, right? Against there. Against the RSI, not against the MACD, right? And then here we dropped slightly more. We didn't have anything against the RSI, but then against the MACD, we created strong bullish divergence, right? For potential action to the upside, we're starting to get that rally, getting above the 20, really finding support at the 50%, trying to bounce, almost reach that 618, and now we're pulling back down. So high low, positive, high low. Neutral at 56.66. That's it, dude. That's it for this right now. Right. So that's it for C Gold. Let's go to BTT now. Figure out what's happening there, man. High, positive, less positive, right? First thing I'm noticing on BTT is some bearish divergence here near resistance. We haven't looked at BTT in a long time, so it's gonna be interesting. High, low, and also high, low, right? So we have some strong bearish divergence happening on the daily for potential action to the downside, right? And we have a near resistance at the 618. Last time we looked at this, I can't even remember when it was, dude. It was probably a long time ago. It has no more data in it. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. Low, high, and then I think we're gonna, I'm really gonna have to zoom in here now to figure this out. Yeah, high to low. Very slight though. It's almost at the same level, but it looks like it wants to shake off this bearish divergence that it has, this strong bearish divergence. Because it's just almost there. If it pumps a little bit, it'll definitely get rid of it. But right now it has it, and it's forcing the price to go down slightly. Sitting over bought at 72.75, low, high, negative, less negative, low on our side to higher point. Nothing bullish here. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Sorry, the 1 hour. Now in this 1 hour chart, just here on the short term, right? Look at that strong bearish divergence developing here. Again, if I don't go into the history sometimes on some projects, one is because we need to keep moving on the show. And two, do you really care about whether or not it had bullish divergence back here? It's pumped, so you know, already did its thing. So right now, I'm just gonna go with this last thing here with bearish divergence fraction to downside. And yeah, that's that for BTT, right? Some strong bearish divergence moving down. Target right now immediately will be the 20 moving average at 0.0004 cents. Right now, so you got 0.0043, and the target's at 0.00041, right? So whatever. Yeah, I already checked XLM. We'll do it on a recap again, I guess. So let's keep rolling. Someone said XVG. I'm guessing, yeah, that's the one. XVG. There we go, man. We have an XVG chart, so we're gonna see which one's the one we've been working on. That way we're not gonna, you know, do dull work. There we go, man. Last time we had bearish divergence broke down, so low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, right? So nothing bullish here. Finding support at the 618, right? The end of the retrace area. So from here to here, you should look for it to confirm the high. You look at the 236. Once we break it, we know that we're retracing, and most of the retraces happen to that 3 to 2 to 618, where we actually hit that area and bounce. This actually is bouncing at a beautiful support, the 15,618, and doing an about face and pumping, which is really cool. But right now, on this small pump that we're doing, we are creating this strong bearish divergence. And that would imply that we're going to get action to the downside. And as you can tell, we're getting that action to the downside, which is, again, interesting. Below the previous high, right? Again, let's see if we can keep on going with this. And neutral, bought at 60.71. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. High, low, positive, positive, low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Here, just had some bearish divergence before we broke down from here to here. I mean, here, right? There we go. Low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish back here. Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. Taking that small pump. That's great. Low, high. Nothing else developing here. Not even short term. So, you know, hidden bullish. Pumping on that. Trying to hold support. Let's go to the 1 hour, see what we have. We're still holding support at the 20. Hit it at least 3 times. We might have some bearish divergence on the 20. We'll check it out. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry, on the 1 hour. Here we go on the 1 hour. Here we are, man. There we go. Like here, from here to here. Strong bearish divergence for action to downside. Against the MACD and the RSI. So that's fine. Low, lower, right? Then, negative, less negative. So with that, we have strong bullish divergence, fraction of the upside. That's what we reversed, started to go higher. That's fine. Then here, right? Had a low, great. Some more strong bearish divergence as we were trying to get above that area. And that's why we just keep on bouncing around that 100%, right? And failing to break out of it because we're just, you know, create strong bullish, pump. Okay, strong bearish. Good. Let's go down again. And then let's see if we have something else. Let's create some hidden bullish now, right? That's what we have towards here at the end, right? Some hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. We also have it here against the RSI, so that's fine. And the previous divergences here were against the RSI, just MACD, and then this last one's even against the RSI. We're taking that pump, but look, high, low, positive is positive, high, low. Nothing bullish. We're rejecting higher highs than the previous high, and that's what we're looking for a movement down right now, right? So breaking below previous 100%, trying to hold on to that 20 moving average as support. The Verge not looking not sure if it's looking too hot, dude. I would love to see it hold support above its previous 100% to maybe do a reversal, but right now this is looking like it wants to move down again. We'll see, dude. Again, just sideways motion, right? Consolidation, a little bit sideways, but consolidation nonetheless. So really failing to determine where it wants to go. Quick recap, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, XLM, Aave, and STMX. Bitcoin 36,400, still dropping. Oh no, we're about to bearishly engulf the previous candle. Oh, we pulled back up a little bit. Great. So that means Ethereum's probably very likely following suit at 1,544. Yep, also moving down. Great, we had the bearish divergence, so you know, no surprises, right? No surprises. That's it for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Again, if you want to see them in detail, we did them earlier, right? So let's go to XLM. When I recap, I just go very quickly over the last hours since I did them, right? So I'm not even going to go much in detail. Just check what we last had, and that's that, because we already did them in detail at the beginning of the stream. So strong bearish divergence, action to downside, started to move down on XLM. So great, nothing bullish. The movement down could get us to this 20 moving average at 33.81. Let's see if it's going to get there. Neutral at 57.56. We're not creating anything bullish right now, so that's that for that. for Islam. Let's go to Aave. Fancy buttons to my shirt. This one's? Or this one's? I'm not sure, dude. Do I have buttons? This one's up here? I'm not sure. Maybe, dude. That's an old shirt, man. This shirt's like, I want to say like 10 years old, probably, dude. Still good though. I barely wear it, dude. I've been wearing it more now that I'm home, but before I used to be in the closet and stuck there, man. So XLM, right? The bearish divergence. So Aave. Look, Aave managed to pump a little bit more since we last looked at it. Great, it's just going there. And guess what? We're still going lower, right? So high to low. Bearish divergence, action to downside. Starting to get a little bit of that pullback. And guess what? We're upsloping consolidation. You know what we get after impulse up and upsloping consolidation? We usually break down again. The short buttons, yeah. They're old, dude. Bought at 63.40. I went through a phase when I got a lot of clothing for some reason, and a lot of them it's just stuck in a closet, dude. I never wore it, so I have like really old shirts that are still in really good condition. So I'm starting to use them now that the pandemic's here, and actually rotating my shirts because I noticed that I used to wear the same 5 shirts every week until I had to like change shirts. So yeah. So after that, I started to now rotate my shirts, and rotate them every week. So I have like, I think if I say I have like 30 shirts, it's probably still short. So I have a lot of shirts, man. I have like I used to buy a lot of shirts on sale back in the day because still not gonna pay full price for something that I can get cheaper, right? So let me keep on rolling. That's it forever, right? The bearish divergence is there, and then STMX. XTMX bearish divergence moving down. Nothing bullish right now, so waiting for something to develop. Bearish divergence moving down, pumping a little bit. That's it, dude. We're really not doing a lot. I'm just trying to recover, and that's fine. Shirt Connect, yeah. Let's go to Sol. One quick second, guys. I'm back. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button, sub. The wife with the awesome tea hookup connect. So great tea. Got to type this here at the end. Oh damn, forgot the caps were on. Love the Deadpool be right back screen. Yeah, dude. Thanks. There's a lot of Deadpool in this channel. Sol, let's go there. Well, let's see on the daily, see what we have, man. But we had bearish divergence, move down, hit that 20, pumped. Great. Now, guess what? We haven't shaken off this divergence because look at where it's just going to, right? We're going higher right now. We're definitely coming much slower, guys. Again, I'm done with the request for tonight. I just forgotten to update that banner thing. Say no more requests, but we're done with requests for tonight. Thank you all for being here again. Easy Ethereum. It looks like it's trying to do something. Yeah, I'll go back to it, man. I did a back Barthakur, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Thanks for going live and teaching. Yeah, you're welcome, man. It's fun to be here. Don, son, thanks, man. Yeah, y'all welcome for being here. I appreciate y'all. And yeah, let's roll. Bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. We don't have it against the RSI. Just against the MACD. Overbought at 73.70. But before we got that pump, we did create some hidden divergence from here to here. Make sure we're anchored. And from here to here, right? So hidden bullish pump, created bearishness, came back down, hit that 20 and bounced, creating strong bearish still from one island to the next. Potential fraction to downside. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, high higher, positive, more positive. On the other side, we do seem to be keeping this divergence here, and I'll just double check. Ooh, almost 75.80, 75.74. For me, we could say that we're just going sideways, and that would work. And we could say that we're going from low to high. Sorry about that. Able to meet the mic in a second. That's pretty good. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. So that's that, right? Aliens are possible. Yeah. Anyways, bearish divergence, right? Then here, short term. I didn't want to do that there. There we go. Here, short term. High, slightly higher. All right, and let's just get this on the 4 hour. And out of the daily, there we go. High to low, right? So more strong bearish divergence for potential actually the downside. Let's see if this is going to take us there. I forgot to anchor this one that I just drew, so. I know there's a lot of chat going on, guys. Let me just finish this analysis. And then, you know, after I finish AVAX, we'll recap and then we can just chill for a little bit, right? Thanks, Shredhead, for the bless you, man. I appreciate that. Stormax opinion. Interesting. Neutral at 68.68. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, look at this in the 1 hour, dude. High, higher, high. And high to low, right? So strong bearish divergence, moving down, trying to rally, failed to get higher in the previous high, continuation of the bearishness. This is close enough to be a double top, actually. So, yeah, right now it looks like it wants to recover and get above that 20. I'm not going to call it a double top yet, but it could be making a double top up here, right? It's just potential. Low, high, negative, more negative, low, high. So nothing here. Just here, back here, right? Before we actually, that's the fib, so I didn't want to do it. From here to here, right? It's going lower, and then we're going from negative to less negative, right? So some strong bullish divergence popped. Credit strong bearish, and that's what's putting the pressure on the price to go down on Sol. That's it. I'm gonna just be throwing some fibs real quick from the high point to the low. We're retracing, getting above that previous 100%, which is good. So we're on track to the 1618. If I go farther back, we don't have. That's the high, previous high, right? So we're tracking to try to get to $6.94. Right now at $5.19. So that's it for Sol. $6.5 what, Jeff? Sol? Oh, you're talking about someone else on the chat. All right, cool. Do I have Instagram? Yeah, but I rarely use it, dude. I think I even disabled the Instagram button, but let me see if I can show it. I don't even have the Instagram button here. Should be at the State of Crypto or State of Crypto. You can find me there. I rarely post there, man. I don't think it's very rare for me to log into Instagram. Like, I'm not even sure what to post on Instagram, like regarding technicals, so. Anyways, Dodge, apparently. People are interested to see where that coin's going to go. Alright, so Dodge doesn't have anything. We're pulling back. We're trying to recover yesterday, a couple days ago. We're pulling back down. Again, flagging. We can say that, right? Bought at 63.82 for the 4 hour. Trying to hold at 3 cents. So that's pretty tight. Again, we have that hidden bullish, try to rally, high, low, positive, high, low. We're not creating anything bearish. We're also failing to get higher in the price high, and thus we're still consolidating sideways. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, lower low, I guess. Yep. 46.99. 47. It's actually slightly higher, so we don't actually have that. So that's that on Dodge. Nothing on the 4 hour. Let's go on the 1 hour. High, low, positive, high, low. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. We're not really doing anything bullish or bearish. We're just consolidating this level, 3 cents. So yeah, we don't have a lot going on here on Dodge. Neutral at 49.44. Let's go on the daily. We retrace now, so I'm gonna get this old stuff that I had here, and actually gonna go to this high. And we're still gonna take that as a low, and let's see where we're at. It looks like we want to hold support at the 618. So great, we're making a valid retrace and trying to hold support, I guess. That's that for this, man. I know you fade from low to high, and this should be my 0, but again, it works more or less similar. I just want to see where we're at. Again, the 618 is the opposite of the 382, right? So we're hitting that 618, we're hitting that 382. So for me, it's the same thing. Again, now let's go to let's put down doggy, dog, whatever, man. Like some people say potato, some people say potato, tomato is the same thing, right? So really, it's just Dodge or doggy or doggy dog, right? Or Snoopy doggy dog, whatever you're gonna call this coin, it's fine. Let's get to CVT, man. Ooh, a coin we haven't looked at before. Interesting. Dude, you're the man. Pronounce it right. Don't be a dick. I'm not being a dick, dude. It's just like Dodge or Doggy, dude. It's the same thing, dude. It's just the name of a coin, really. It has a dog in it, dude. It's a doggy, dude. It's dog, not Dosh or Doggy, dude. I just call it dog, whatever, man.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Let's, it's not potato, bro. Yo, dude, whatever. I'm not gonna get into like an argument over the name of a coin, man. It's Dodge or Doggy or whatever, dude. I heard it all kinds of ways. Like the creator should come out and like say, like with the alphabet, like with the dictionary pronunciation, how we're gonna call this project. Let's go to CVT, man. I gotta keep on moving through projects, right? Thank y'all for being here, guys. I appreciate y'all. That's fine, Mike. Just send me an audio on the Discord how I should pronounce it, and I'll check it out, right? It's like with Wi-Fi or Giphy or however you want to call that project, right? A lot of people call it different ways, so it's such a broad terminology, man. Anyways, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the button and stuff. Thank y'all for being here and joining me tonight. Doggy. Whatever, man. Right, so CVT, man. First thing I'm looking at is the strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? And we're moved up and hit that 20 and we're rejecting. So this is sitting at 8 cents. So not the most expensive project, but it should be interesting, I guess, right? And here on this last bid against the is RSI as well. So strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. Didn't go really high on that. So might have something else happening on the 4 hour, the 1 hour that are putting pressure on the price to go down. So here, I'll just go high to low, I guess. There we go. We made a valid retrace. Hit that 236. We're gonna hit 382 rejecting. So yeah, we're trying to hold on support at the previous low that we had, short-term low or local low. Frank, do you say you have some info on Atom? No, we already looked at Atom. Up in Atom, right? We already did it. Here, short-term on CVT. There is some bearish divergence. So, sorry, some bullish divergence, strong bullish divergence against the RSI. Look at this, right? I mean, here, going slightly higher. So potential action to the upside, moving up. But again, we're getting that pressure to the downside. Why is that, man? Could it be because of this tiny thing that we have here? No, I doubt this is this, man. There's like, I'm not gonna hunt for information that is not there. Half strong bullish. Action to the upside, found to go higher. Maybe the 1 hour is gonna show it though. High, slightly higher, and then positive, more positive. Dude, high there, set to higher point. Nothing bearish, really. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, and there's the higher point. All right, so it was some hidden some strong bullish back here, right? On the 1 hour chart for CVT. And then from here to here, right? So with that, we have that strong bullish divergence direction to the upside. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there, set to higher point. High, higher, high. I'm not gonna call anything here. That's it, dude. There's nothing else happening, right? Found to get, we're going slightly higher, then we don't have anything bearish. We just broke back down slightly. We don't have anything else bullish. So right now, it just has bullish divergence on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So there should be some potential action to the upside. And on the daily, you know, we also have strong bullish. So yeah, bullish divergence for, sorry, I just put the bear. Sorry, man. Wrong button.
Sorry.
Bullish divergence. There we go. For CVT, man. Great. Potential for action to the upside. Let's see if we can manage to get above that 20, though. Now, last project of the night, AVAX. Another project we never looked at, so great. $13.33, man. All right. Extremely noticeable, this bearish divergence that we're starting to produce here, and for potential action to the upside, right? So it's the first thing that pops when I open up the chart, and that's good, I guess, because it just means action to the downside. We're not sure how strong we're going to get it. We did have some hidden bullish, right? And that's from here to here. Again, hitting that 20, finding support and trying to pump, so. Sorry guys, my phone went nuts. I just want to make sure everything's cool here. Yeah. Don Juan, I'm already done with requests, man. I'm at coin 30 already. We're super early though, right? At midnight, so. Anyways, the dog is calling me. Yeah, he was telling me like, you should pronounce my name right. What's up, Don Juan? Thank you for being here, man. You're right. So some of that strong bullish. What? Christian Cryptic check on me here. Not tonight, man. Thanks for asking, though. It is a Tuesday night, dude. I'm not gonna shotgun a beer on a Tuesday night. Hit bullish, taking the pump, strong bearish, moving down on that. Or putting some pressure for action to downside. Let's go to the 4 hour. Dude, really am not finding anything here. Look, this is pretty silent, right? So low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Mike DeVell, dude. No message? You got a Deadpool.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. I'll give you that. And then Elvis, thank you, man. And the hype horn. Why not, dude? Thank you very much for the awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate that, Mike. Like Dougie? Dougie? Instead of Dougie? We could go with that, man. I'll do this, man. See if I can get it to say it here. Oh, it's not gonna say it. I wanted to find doggy, dude. It's not finding it. Am I still in the translate, dude? Go here. All right, I'll pause the music for the rest to be able to hear it clearly, but let's go here, man. Doge. That's how, like, Google says it, right? Doge. I'm not sure, dude. Do we want to go with Doge? Do we want to go with Doge? Or Doggy. I'm not sure. It doesn't sound in the stream. Oh, let me do this. Did it go through that time? I doubt it, man. I think I need to put what is this, dude? 1 second, man. 1 second, I'll fix that. It should be coming into the browser. Why not? Oh, because it's low. There we go, man.
Doge.
Right? Doge. So Doge. That's what we're going to call
Doge.
it. Doge, right? That's that. Settle the argument. That being said, let's keep rolling through the stream, man. Let's get this here. Let me get the browser sound down again. Turn the music back on, man. Hit that like for Doge. Yeah, for sure, man. So, great argument. Glad we settled it. Let's keep moving with AVX, dude. So I was telling you guys, I'm not finding anything. Look, there was some strong bullish here. I wasn't finding anything the first time I was looking at it. Must be getting tired, man. That's why this is like coin 30, right? That's what I tell you guys. If there are 30 coins, it's just that's that, man. Right? That's way too many projects. I don't mind doing 30 projects. Just not sustainable, right? I start to get tired. I might miss stuff. So again, strong bullish. Action to the upside. Taking that pump. Nothing bearish. Still holding on to that 20. Let's see what we're going to do here. Neutral at 59.21. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. TTA Wi-Fi, sure. Or Giphy. That's upward. It's telling me that the stream rate is lower than what it should be. Awkward. Now that's how it's saying it, dude. Yay, Fi, right? You heard that? Look, Jake, you asked for this, so. Yay, Fi. That's what we're going to call this project now. Yay, Fi. Let's finish AVX, dude. So from here, there's nothing bearish, right? We're obviously going higher. And what I'm looking at is this move here right now, this hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside. And this is what's getting us to go slightly higher here on AVX, right? What's up, Becky? Thanks for being here, man. Like Geefy. Some people say Geefy, some people say Wi-Fi. It's just weird, man. I guess like that's the problem with crypto, right? We don't have a dictionary for terminology or nameology of projects. So everyone just calls it whatever they can. However they can pronounce it, I guess. Well, I'm not saying anything else besides this hidden bullish back here. Higher, positive, less positive, or more positive? I'm actually going to zoom in here. More positive. Great. So, going slightly higher. Are we going higher there? Yeah, we're also going higher. So nothing there. Yeah. Is that for AVX, dude? Last thing we have is this hidden bullish, and that's what's keeping us going here. Sideways. Sideways also, right? Strong bullish, but trying to pump a little bit. And then on the daily, we have hidden bullish, but some strong bearish starting to develop. So that is it for this. I would love to have anchored this right from positive to less positive on a new island, but we're going from positive to negative. Still have it on the RSI. Could still be potential fraction to the downside. Still bought at 64.16. That's it for AVAX, dude. Now it's recap and chill, I guess. By the way, if you guys like what we do, and they're Dodge arguments, let's go hit the like, the button, sub, right? Thank you all for being here, guys. I appreciate y'all. Shredhead says now he wants peanut butter. Peanut butter, man. Right, let's keep rolling. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see what Europe wakes up planning to do, right? Like, Europe's gonna wake up. You're gonna, like, see whether or not they want to buy or sell. Amazon might be taking crypto soon. That would be nice. Oh, talk about Amazon. Do you guys read that Jeff Bezos is supposed to be stepping down as CEO and is now going to become like an executive chairman or whatever? So we'll see. Isamu, I want to purchase your Discord. Oh, I'm not sure what you mean by that. Hit me up on the Discord. It's not for sale though, but I'm not sure what you want to do or why you want my Discord, dude. Crypto Live, real-time XRP pump free signals. What? Dude, come on. For reals? Someone wrote something. I think the bot got it, but it still came out here, so I'm gonna get rid of this here, man. Yeah, Jake timed it out. Great, man. Right, so the Bitcoin, dude. High, low, positive was positive, high, low, right? That's that. What? Yo.
After MicroStrategy meeting tomorrow, Bitcoin is going to the moon.
Yo, Mike, thank you very much for that, man. Legendary, man. I'll give you one up and an Elvis. Thank you, man. And we'll hit the hot one. Why not, dude? Thank you for the $5 donation, $4.99. Really, really appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. I mean, I appreciate that you guys show the support with the tips. Again, I don't ask for tips. I don't even talk about tips on the channel. I mean, it just gets up to you guys whether or not you guys feel that the content that we produce here, it's tip worthy or not, or, you know, worth of your patronage. For me, the time to give me, it's plenty enough. And the fact you guys are here, hitting the like, hitting the subs, it's also really cool. The only time I mention tips is when we're not at the coins, right? When we run through the list. So once we get through 30 coins, I just tell guys, look, man, it's not that I'm asking for them, but once we get 30 coins done, you want for me to do a tip. It's just you want me to do a tip. If you want me to do a coin, it has to come with a tip, because after 30 coins, I'm like done, right? That's that. So again, thank you very much for the awesome donation, dude. I appreciate that. Let's see what this says here. All right, so now it tells me excellent connection. It was telling me that I had a bit rate error. So great. I need to get other thank you things going on besides the Deadpool. I like the Deadpool. It took me a little bit to build because I was practicing things for like many things on the stream deck, right? Because I wanted to figure out how to do this because it's like a programming thing. It's many steps that go involved with delays, etc. But that's pretty legit. I like that, and I'm gonna find another thank you one also, and also the bullish and the bearish also were part of that as well. That part of the programming thing I had to learn. So cool. trying to see where we're at on the sub goal. It says 71 out of 100. Actually, the goal right now is 2,500. That's our current sub goal, man. That's where we want to go to. And we're going to have something for that goal, I think. Still checking out what we can do. And checking out, like, if I can secure funding to do giveaways or something. That's going to be interesting. So, recaps. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Again, right now moving up. Still at 36,629. It might have moved up a little bit. We had this divergence, right? Action downside. We got a candle red. Now we're still going in this candle. It's green. It's new candle. That's great. We can still go bullish, right? Like I said, we just have that bearish divergence that we have to watch out for, right? We got to acknowledge it and watch out for it. Ethereum at 1,548. Again, bearish divergence moving down. Right now it wants to move back up. Someone told me that it looked like Ethereum wanted to do something. Yeah, it looks like it wants to consolidate this level. MicroStrategy is a textbook example of Metcalfe's law. Right, globally, a falling financial system and the world is in need of DeFi and inflationary hedges. Interesting, Carthago. Interesting take. And Mike, yeah, it could be that, you know, after the MicroStrategy meeting, Bitcoin goes up. We'll see. It depends on what the outcome of the meeting is, right? How's Ethereum looking? Well, just looking at it right there. Some bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside, making the all-time highs. It can still go on pumping, right? I'm not against it pumping, but look at this. We're just going straight up. Let's see if I can actually do this one here. Can we look at that as a potential support for Ethereum, right? Support. Now we're far away from that support, so not the best looking support, but it could be an area of support on that move up on Ethereum, right? Just think about it as the line that we're going up against. So that's pretty cool. Cloverfield, no dumb questions. That's fine. But like, there's no dumb questions, really. Like, if you don't ask questions, I think you're dumb for not asking questions. People should ask questions. There's no dumb questions. If you don't know, that's fine. You just need an answer, and that's great. So never, like, I think like that's something a lot of people say, right? Like, dumb question. There's no dumb questions. It's just a question, right? The person that is dumb doesn't ask questions, but if you're asking questions, then it's good. You try Ethereum to Bitcoin pair, and he goes up. Do you get back more Bitcoin or Ethereum? Well, it depends. I mean, you're telling me. What I understand, you hold Ethereum and you're trading it against Bitcoin, so you want to buy Bitcoin towards the end, right? It works both ways, but Ethereum to Bitcoin means that you have Ethereum, you want to buy Bitcoin. It's really going to depend how many sats you're going to get for your Ethereum, right? And if it's the opposite, if you're going Bitcoin to Ethereum, it just means how many guays or whatever you're going to get for your Bitcoin. So yeah, they go both ways, right? What do I think about Tron? I think it's a cool project. I don't like the guy who runs it, though. I think he's shady, though. That's the truth. Ethan, when's the next time we'll see Ethereum below 1,500? I'm not sure. We might see it there soon. I'm not sure, dude. Right? We might have some support at 1,514. Still yet to be determined. We could come down here to the 20 to hit a support, right? And that 20 right now is at 1,499. If we go hit it, we're seeing 1,400 again. We'll see, man. Oh, TC, the bot. I'm sorry about the bot. It just does crazy stuff. Thank you, Constant. Who, Justin Sun? I haven't heard that. Oh, yeah, and he also shadily took over Steemit. And, you know, it's just, I don't like the guy very much. If you guys like what we do, hit the like the button, sub, right? Thank you for joining me tonight on this awesome stream. The Moon Man. What? To the moon, man? Sure, man. Why not? He quit last week? I'm not sure. I didn't read that, dude. I don't keep up with Tron, dude. It's just a coin that didn't do anything for me, so I'm gonna check it out. Someone said something up earlier. T-Row, where is Bitcoin heading short term?
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Yeah, it's really your opinion. I'm not sure where it's going to head short term. It's up to you, man, right? You can make up your own mind there. Dot's laughing about something. Yeah. Someone agreed with something, I'm not sure, and then Todd laughed, and then something else. I'm not sure. Missed some chat, I think. Wallet and exchange. Well, dude, it's entirely up to you. Like, I'm not sure what you use, Constant. I use Bitso. That's my onboarding exchange because I'm in Mexico. After that, I just move it to wherever I need. Wallet, you can use Trust. It's okay. You can use paper wallets. You can use, like, you can use cold wallets or paper wallets. You can use hardware wallets like, Ledgers and Treasures or whatever. I don't own any of those. They're supposed to be pretty cool. I'm not sure, man. There's a lot of things you can... Like, I think it's really personal, like what exchange you want to use. I'm not even sure where you're at, but broker could... broker. I just read that. Mike Darrell saying use a broker. Dude. No wallet. Don't use a broker, buy it yourself. It really depends on what exchange you want to use, man. Or like I usually go to Binance. There's a coin there I want to buy. It really depends on you what you want to use. Nice to have a treasure? Maybe, dude. I refuse to buy a wallet until the channel's big enough that the wallet company hooks me up with a wallet to give away. That's probably when I buy a wallet. So yeah, run a node. You had Mt. Gox and lost a bunch of coin. Yeah, you don't keep it in the exchange. Just go somewhere else. Oh my god, 2 more likes to 200. We'll do the hype horn. Hit that like. What? T-Row, people are saying we're going to go down to 20K. On what project, man? There's a couple projects that are above 20K, so let me know. Will ADA hit $1 this month? I'm not sure. Maybe, dude. Look, it's I'm not even sure what ADA did right now, and we looked at it, so I got to go back and look at it. I'm not holding any ADA, so... Like, I don't tend to store any of the coins that we do here besides the ones that I really care about in my memory, right? In my head. So a lot of these projects... A lot of the projects here is just... Like, for example, Cardano, I looked at it earlier. We had that hidden divergence in my mind. It wasn't there, right? Because I'm not keeping this in my hard drive, right, in my head. Because there's so many other projects that I'm interested in, and I try to keep up with those. But, these small ones, not small ones, but these main ones that I'm not into, I just don't really, remember. So I looked at them. I do the analysis like I would do for any other project. But since I'm not holding them, I have no interest in it. And I'm not looking at that, right? Anyways. Thank Constant, appreciate that. To you, I'll say that.
Thank you very much.
You're over leveraged, Jake? Ooh, that's not good, man. What's my top 3 favorite projects and their tickets? You mean their symbols or tickers? Sorry, something here else in the chat. Look, I hold DVT. I hold a lot of DVT. I like it. It's a good project. I got it very cheap. Still performing okay. And it has a lot of potential. So I like DVT. I like RSR of the small ones. It's also doing good for me right now. I did bad for a long time. I sold it a little bit. Then I bought back in, and then I'm still doing good on it, but... Empty Party 7. No one can tell you what to do with your money, man. Yeah, DVT's not going to be cheap for long, I agree. I'll show RSR because I took a massive hit there once. Well, I didn't take the hit completely. I took part of a hit, but not a full hit. I'll explain to you why. I got into this project back here on this large wick. This large green wick. And here. up here at the green line. That was my entry. 3.12, sorry, cents. It was a lot of good news were supposed to be coming out. And it took this massive drop, dude, right? And I kind of hated it for a long time. And this one also has a cup and handle here, right? Cup and handle. I did this a while back. So, and this one did play a little bit nicer, right? As a cup and handle. So that's pretty legit, right? We were talking about cup and handles earlier. This is what a cup and handle looks like, right? You want to see a very well formed cup, rounded. You also want to see that very nice handle here made. So, for me, this is a cup and handle. I've forgotten I had this example here. So great. Cool, Jake. So I took the ride down, and you know, I was looking at here. I took a little bit of profit here. I took a little bit of profit up here as well. I hit this area, and then here I didn't take any profit because I thought we were gonna get up here again, and I bought back in here, and I wrote up. So I basically, what I sold, I didn't take profit. I actually took a loss, right? But I sold part of my position, 2 small parts, and then when I saw this move, I was like, yeah, I think we're gonna probably get higher, right? And then yeah, we just waited a little bit longer, and we did. So I bought back in here, somewhere around here, maybe here, and then I run it up again. But for the longest time, I was doing really bad on this project, and a lot of people that are here since August the 31st know the story. I didn't follow my plan, my strategy, and I took a big hit. I was gonna take a big hit if I would have sold here, but you know, I was willing to take a 10% hit. That would have been this red line here at 2.81, and I didn't sell, and I just had to ride it. And then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna hold, see if it's gonna recover. We're doing the bullish divergence. You know, we've made a valid retrace to here. Then this is when I put the targets. Said, look, first target's gonna be here, second target's gonna be here, and third target's gonna be here. And we just happened to hit the targets right where I had them. I don't think I had to shift any of this. And you know, we just hit first, second, and third target. I sold a little bit. Bought back in here, which obviously puts me more or less in the same average that I had sold, and then just roll it up. And right now it's doing good. As you can tell, it's high above this green. So I mean, I've taken hits before. This one I'm glad that I was able to salvage a little bit. And yeah, right now it's a good project. I like it because it's giving me good profit there. What is VT? It's a project. Oh, sorry, Bonnie's McDougal Elevate. It's a project. It's a really cool project. I like. They have a really tight community. So yeah. Top Pierre Point, you gotta go to bed. Night. Thanks, man. Thanks for being here, man. I'm gonna be signing off soon, man. You know, it's been a good night. I am a little bit tired, let's say. And yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be another day. I'm still gonna be here, right? I come in at 9 p.m. Central every night, guys. Jerome, yeah, you just use TradingView, man. It's better. I mean, Binance has part of their charge done by TradingView, but like TradingView by itself, it's better. The free one is there. There you can use it, right? So again, guys, if you like the content that we produce here, hit the like button, sub, right? I don't do predictions. Kawa, that's just very weird for me to go and do predictions. So no predictions here, man. Short-term goals, that's it. I don't hype projects. I don't hype anything, dude. We have one for Bitcoin, but it's based on like solid technical, not from me, from other people as well. But I don't do predictions here, man. I don't call long-term targets. I don't hype projects, right? That's not what we do here. We're just a teaching channel and a learning channel. And you can come here to learn stuff. You can come here to look at stuff. The calls are fairly accurate most of the time, so that's pretty good. And like I said, I'm not doing long-term predictions just because, you know, I don't believe that is the way to go, right? Short-term targets is how you get to bigger targets. Craig Brown still holding on to the 1000 DVT one. Cool, man. It's doing good, right? So it was around 1. It's worth, at some point in time, it was worth around 3. So those $10 that you got were worth 30. Right now, they're worth about $17 still. So they still haven't gone up. Really nice. Why is DVT on Binance? It's not listed yet. It's actually going to be on Binance Smart Chain or whatever that is, BSC. And it's going to be a DeFi project also. So interesting. There's interesting stuff coming out for Binance. Congrats, Mike. That's pretty cool. Jake has a 22,000 ADA long. What, Jake? 20,000 sats? Or dollars, bro? I think you're talking about sats, right? I don't think you're going to put $20,000 in ADA, man. Did Steve wash your mind or something? Did he turn you? Where did he turn you, man? Oh, 20,000 ADAs. All right, cool. I was like, damn, son. Putting in a lot of dough, man. Yeah, it's gonna be for tonight, I think. So it's cool. We did analysis. We did 30 coins almost in record time for the amount of people that we usually get. So, and we also did some chat, which again is pretty cool. But guys, that is gonna be it for tonight. We've been live for 3 hours and 21 minutes, and I don't mind being here longer, but I gotta get some rest. Did I go to school to read charts in TA? No, I didn't go to school to read charts in TA. I'd go to school to learn a lot more than reading charts in TA. I'm not gonna do any more projects, Rock, dude. I'm done, dude. I'm actually about to sign off, so. Guys, thank you all for being here. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Again, this is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome Tuesday night, now Wednesday morning for me. Again, if you like the content that we produce in this channel, hit the like button, sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. And if you really enjoyed this, help us retweet our tweets. Try to get more people into this stream. If you believe that the content is of value to people, help us do that. Anyways, also remember the content that we produce is for entertainment and education purposes only. Don't trade based on what you see here. Do your own research. Make up your own mind. That's why I don't give you targets. A lot of you guys come in here ask me buy or sell. I'm not going to tell you what to buy or sell. I'm not a financial advisor. You guys can't do that yet. But anyways, guys, thank you all for being here again. And on that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.
Do you